Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
Hey, 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 yeah. Hey. Up there, up there, up there, up there, up there, up there. Shake your tambourine and praise the Lord. But the leaf on the top of mine, it comes up in a revival time. Everybody shake up the tambourine and praise the Lord.
Rap. Now you're not in a headphone. Yeah, okay, better. Better ones, a good afternoon to the people. It's all about a proper. Mixup party Friday, right? Yes, upon the boom bang, sitting near Ragashanti live. Welcome to the show. I am the host. I'm in name Ragashanti, the principal. Mr. Washbelly, the king of mix-up, large up on himself. It's a mix-up entertainment show. We say large up to all of the goods of people. Class time. Everybody present. Fan while you're present. AC while you're present. Rap. Big up the goods of people. I mean, I'm going to get to places them out here. You know, large up on yourself. Everything is everything. Augustown and Southside for Ivor and for Ivor. Large up on yourself. Waterhouse, Linky, Boom Bang, sitting. Scene. Big up Moscow and all the men's there. Be a Farm Road, Penwood and them Linky there. See if you don't see a flipping word, everything locked. Yeah? Mangostown, Riverton City and all them places. They seen Calalo Bay large up on yourself. New Haven, Winnie Park, Patrick City, Corville. And sitting Sherlock. And Brook Valley, when I know things sit. Yeah, Prombacall, everything is everything. Marvelly, Biggie place, Jerusalem. See, been up anywhere to large up yourself, man. Birdie, boom, bang, respect, everything is everything. See? All I'm going to get to fabulous people. I'm going to know myself all across the island. Maximum respect indeed. Become uptown people, them to a listener show, and I love the show, and I love the thing, and whatever, and I understand the objective, understand the flavor, I want to enjoy it, I want to good. What you say, the Rooty? Okay, big up a listener, them up in Orange Grove, large up yourself indeed. Now we have some people up in Chancery Island, Lee's Flat, now left out the thing, you know. So boom bang sitting. And all of the people them have a Red Hills Road and Red Hills, you know. Large up on yourself, come on and thing and whatever. You don't know. It's a mix-up party Friday up in the place, right? Yes, sir. It sounds to me like everybody is present. I am here. Ruth to the Q to the producer is here. A bong sitting in a simple pink t-shirt today and I will look around. Around the technical operator, Lockett, Jermaine King is around someplace. DJ Chris Cross is here also, rip roaring and ready. Michelle, Emily, Patty Belly, they are to everything is everything. Michelle, what's the deal with your mother?
Huh?
What's the deal with your mother?
My father went there last Saturday, and she did the surgery. He never see her on her bed, and that means she was at theater.
But of course,
yeah,
you know,
she good.
I saw her find out that she do it.
Yeah.
But how is she stay here now?
She good, you know. I'm supposed to go look for her a little more.
All right.
Thing.
I
may start call you Cranwater.
Why?
Yeah, because since you love calling me Patty, I'm going to call you Cranwater. Because you said, you said
Chris Cross. Would you be, is there anything wrong if somebody call you Cranwater? Any drama in that? Any mix up in that? But if somebody named Patty Belly, don't drama in that. Don't mix up in that. All right. From what they shall try, give me name Atlas. Yeah. Now my name Cranwater. All right, I'm going to see how I come next.
You don't worry about that.
I'm going to see how I forward next.
No, name them not no subject.
No, name them not no swagger. No, name them not no swagger. Our name them not no swagger. Our name them coming like our joke them.
Oh, shut up.
Because you know, she went all out. Oh my God, OMG, I have this great joke, guys. I have this great joke. Oh my God, I have this great joke. My nephew, JR, he woke up and he said, "Good morning, Michelle Jody."
You tell it worse than I do. Trust me.
And then we're like, somebody joke
Just
there.
around that.
Yeah, no. Now you that style. And then the whole I would freeze and like, the hell?
Oh, do shut up, Kingston.
Oh, do shut up, Emily. All right. Well, I want to kind what Chris guys in here. Karen Wildman bus broke down, you know. Karen Wildman bus broke down and stand over half a tree with the JUTC money in her hand like I look at careless girl. Eh? Hold on, I ligani. Because say half a tree, I ligani. Oh, some girl hype so and them bus are broke down. Oh, some girl hype so and them bus no good.
It was service.
Oh, some girl hype so and them bus want service. Oh, some girl hype so and them engine no steer right. You understand? Oh, some Chuck. Karen Wildman, don't worry yourself. Auntie, I know you're nervous out of Ligani because out there carry the lick down the woman. Then I stand up on the side.
Hey, but gear joke, you know. All the bus broke down. She nah let go the money, you know. She's a good ass.
No, yeah, she hold the money.
What?
Turn on Michelle Mike, the female. Michelle Mike low there. Here, fair and turn it. Yeah.
I hold up the money.
No, she not let go of money. Karen, we are talking about, you know. Karen Wildman, we are talking about, you know. Karen Wildman. She not let go of money. Karen, that sacrifice the boss and hold the money.
Yeah.
The boss said I go over a cliff and hear Karen Bile. But save the money. Save the money. And here a passenger say, what about me? Karen I said, your money? Save the money. That time boss I tumble down. I don't know. Karen, I want to them. Don't I use the Kyle. Them for know. Well, people don't know the level is another tambourine there. The nice maker there. I may have some tune. Who this come from? Scatter. Scatter and worry yourself. Scatter borrow and worry yourself. I'm going to look upon them tune because you don't know, so your rate things different. Everything is everything. All right. Crisscross, you ready?
All well.
What you say what?
All well.
All well. Let me say you ready. You say all well.
You never go school.
Eh?
You never go basic school.
Never go basic school.
Sound dark.
Just call basic
You
school.
never go
Papa.
basic school. I'm here at the same place. At the same course.
Are you it?
Hey.
No, careful, because you invite some, remember the little problem last year up there. And people get them documents. And you never hear a big time. People are saying, somebody can't get a degree easy, though.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, no, don't touch it. Do not touch it.
No, I'm not touching
Do
it.
not touch it. Don't go there.
Leave it alone.
Leave it
friend.
alone. All right. Yo, she read up on TV favor. You miss him all ago. CeeLo Green. In favor Biggie. No, like Biggie Small though, not Biggie from Jewsland. No, but in favor Biggie from Jewsland. Took a Biggie Small favor Biggie from Jewsland. Oh.
No, blow.
Okay, give us some music that Crisscross. Kick it off.
From your arm, them no green like lime. And in the year, make you enemy me like a
Turn it up.
touch road in a you.
Let me hear louder, man. Bring down my voice. Bring down my voice.
I know you smell fresh every day. Pick up the
Don't let me tune no more. Now you're the tune now.
I'm not green, teddy video like Terry. Let them smell your Burberry. Everybody get
No baby, no dead. No baby, no dead. No baby, no dead. No baby. Yo, nothing else, the girl. We're not afraid of you. Me not afraid of you. Me want you are. John Cogel and me want you are. Can a baby not dead. Play about that tune there. And when you afraid of, play about the tune. Nasty girl. Make me say, play that again. Play that.
I'm them no green like lime. And in the year, make you enemy me like a touch road in a you. Baba, my girl can't say you.
Reggae DJ.
I know you smell fresh every day. Pick up the man, them when
Nasty girl.
I'm not green, teddy video like Terry. Let them
What
smell your Burberry.
I say no. No baby, no dead. No baby, no dead. No baby, no dead. Pull up. I'm terrible, sir. Oh, you're terrible, sir. If you are dumping me, I'm dumping conqueror. Play back it tune. Play back it tune.
From your arm, them no green like lime. And in the year, make you enemy me like a
I want you to talk about liar. I'm afraid for calling him Kingsley.
green like Mula. I know you smell fresh every day. Pick up the man, them
Me know when me have something to free.
I'm not green, teddy video like Terry. Let them smell your Burberry. Everybody sing.
No baby, no dead. No baby, no dead. No baby. Why? Me womb. Me womb. Me womb. Play back, play back. Can't find me a bit.
Put it on them no green like lime. And in a the year make you enemies me like a good time.
My girl a junk for you here.
Boss, my girl can't say your arm here green like money. I know you smell fresh every day. Pick up the man them with a van them John Paul. I'm not green, tell the video.
I tell them I'm gone on the grapevine, I'm gone on the grapevine. So, no baby, no dead, no baby, no dead. My abdomen. My abdomen. What on the way of breathing easy on me feel like me a breathe, you know. What? My tube feel like them black though. Anyway, play tonight. Play by the same. Play by the same.
From your arm, them no green like lime. And in a the year make you enemies me like a good time. Touch road in a you boss. My girl can't say your arm here green like money. I know you smell fresh every day. Pick up the man them with a van them John Paul. I'm not green, tell the video like Terry. Let them smell your arm. Everybody sing.
No baby, no dead, no baby, no dead, no baby, no dead, no baby, no dead, no baby.
No chon chon body dead, 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 no chon chon body dead. I'm not green. When you look at your, you put it on, you put it on, put it on, put it on. Come on under your arm, let them see. Put on, when you gone, in a the lawn, man I carry on. You flash it, tashy, girl. Oh, you so bashy. Now your butter she will look smashy, and when you come out, pray and your cool water will flashy. Make no dry skin, no look rashy. Everybody feel a thing. No chon chon, no dead,
no baby, no dead, no baby, no dead, no baby, no dead, no baby, no dead, no baby.
And in a ear, I so green, like a little race.
No baby, no dead, no baby, no dead, no baby, no dead, no baby, no baby, no dead, no.
Make them know this. Jamaica, we not going there.
I want some girl with them sitting coming like reservoir. I want to some girl when them sitting coming like reservoir. I want some Atlantic Ocean girl. Eh? Take Keisha. All right. I'm going to tell you what I'm going right here now. Honestly, say I'm being attacked. Not a problem. Take skin and broad back. But I want to know. I tell Chris Grass and Michelle, I tell them straight. They are not allowed to respond to anything from the mad girl. You understand what Mr. Chris Cross?
Yeah.
You're not allowed to go on the wall and respond to her in any way. You hear me, Mr. Michelle? Well, you hear me, sir? Yeah, I can't hear Michelle.
My area, man.
Don't go up on the wall and respond to the girl.
Yeah.
You understand? Chris Cross, I'm not diss you. But you see, if you did just have a look at show alone, the girl wouldn't look you. May I tell you the truth? Not feel no way.
No, man, we know that.
And I mean, after, if you say your boss and you reach like Mataran level, then probably. But you see, at the stage where you're there, the girl wouldn't come look you. I tell you, I mix over here, so you understand? And I she look you. And if you look at me, no fair fuck she look you. I say, all them lie there, she tell her and whatever, you don't respond to them. Them money argument about me just give you $5,000 and all kind of thing. She a draw you in that Michelle, don't respond. Right? I know she tell people about me stop call her name because lion, what? Yeah, lion police involved. Yes, actually you don't even know where I reach you. Me say, the amount of people I look for this girl here. Right? Linky reach me and say, yo, you know what we thank you for? We never know how she look. Now we know how she look and now we know we have her right name. I mean, I tell you, are people with money. Are people with links. You understand? And the man them bringle. Me I hear some things that the girl go and do. Me can't even touch it on the radio. So. A long time she in her arms house. And she go and get her Waterloo. Not a registered nurse. Not a paper to come to me. Nothing no go so. Nothing no go so. Be a lie. Be a lie. No baby no there. I mean I tell her at some point. Remember I say I the same person, you know. who got draft for the woman husband. Take picture, put she and the man and baby picture and all one random internet baby picture in it and say my family. Remember, this is the same person that fear words, come up publicly and say, the way she want Syrian. She sell her soul to the devil. She go to somebody and sell her soul to the devil. Because she and Syrian must be together. This is the same person who come out with the big thing. I said them have tape. All of the big artists, some big artists down there about the whole of them gear. Remember that drum, right? Right? Attention, Charlotte. And she does so and drive. But I say, as I'm to them, I tell her all on. Me not going to say nothing more about it. What I do, I going to do outside of the show. So I want to know. Me not going to say nothing more about it. After you hear me make that talk, yeah? No care what post. No care what. Hey, when you never see what I want. She come out and she hype up everybody over there and tell them, say, me give her me have man and Simo in Florida. I don't know. And she go bring the proof. I know no proof. Then nothing no go so. You know what she end up I do now? She come out with a bag of woman when she say me there with. And I try to breed the whole of them. So me move from here. I know me a gallus. Yeah. You understand? You understand? So, I want the whole of them, no care what she post, no care what she put up. We realize what I go on. Our website did pop down, nothing I go on and she can't run in on the mix-up right here. So, and people that tell her for a long time, but cool. Her attention she look at the drama she love. And ladies, when I know they say every little thing she bring up is like, I can't believe they do this to the unborn child. I cannot believe they'll do this to my child and whatever. Strategic and deliberate. You know she's a sick, psycho, mad, sickhead. And she's going to get her due. But when I exactly people, exactly. But me don't want uno don't go up on the wall go address anything. You understand what Mr. Chris Cross? No care where she post. No care what picture she put up. You don't do it either, Michelle. Don't respond. When I go up on the wall, I respond to anything else, cause when I big people. But don't respond to that. Don't care how people over fan wall may say, oh, no, answer and whatever. Leave it alone. And we not respond to nothing. All when she come with a picture and say, me a start up Michelle Obama, we not respond to it. And when she go try and make a, and Mr. Man who did a par with her, me get your message. Me get your message. And assuming that you are serious and you're cool, we'll let it go with you too. Alright? Peace and respect. I love what you said. There's some things Raga say where you agree with. There's some things Raga say where you disagree with. I respect you for that, Mr. Man. And you say boom, bang, 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 bang. Loud the thing. Big man thing, mature thing. But, alright, but I love that mad girl, you know. Right? And is it true you tell people say about, I'm afraid for call your name now because lawyer involved. You're such a damn idiot. I can't call your name because you're so stupid. The name where we call is Kizzy. So if you bring, would I love you for carry the thing go court by your own. Because in order for that work, you're going to have to own up the name Kizzy. And when you own up the name Kizzy, you're immediately accountable for all of the hacking what you do. And the people in my account will have all of the information that were located only inside a Chris Cross account. And you have them and we know say you hacking a people account. We know you have a dozen personality. You know what she do? Hey, Ruan, you know what she do? It's when she posts her things them. She go in and another name. Sharika Garden, one of them. And then she act like somebody else attack and the person they now say, why? One thing I have to rate Kizzy for, you know, she always come with facts. You understand what I say? She posts her thing, you know. And then she go in on multiple personalities who comment on what she posts. So you think of somebody different to do it, you know. When she see him one, she's sick. So, as from today day upon the show, no more response to her. I mean, I want to go up on the wall and say nothing. And if people on the fan wall try drawing out and this and that, no do nothing. Because she see a man going to other character too and try to draw out people. Alright? Hear that, gal, and if you want war, I'm mayor for war. Play back that tune before I go, can you believe it? Come on, piece more. Man, a DJ. Man, a DJ.
Practice the personal hygiene. From your arm, them no green like lime. And in a the
Man, one, sing with me.
Touch road in a you know.
Well, I wanna sing with me.
Your arm here green like money. And you smell fresh every day. Pick up the man, them we have.
Everybody know baby know that dead. No baby know that.
Let them smell your back.
No baby know that dead. 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 No baby. No. 10 minutes to 2 o'clock. It's a good time for.
Something. Oh my God! Can you believe that?
Well, if a devil send you, come tell him you buck up on God. What happened to you? Hey, anyway, can you believe it? True stories from around the world that make you say, Papa Jesus, then anything can go so. I want to say, man seeks protection from sex-mad wife. Man seeks protection from sex-mad wife. This is in Germany. A desperate Turkish man living in Germany has turned to the police for protection from his insatiable wife's constant demands for sex. The man came to his local police station in southwestern Germany on Tuesday, saying he had been sleeping on the sofa for the past 4 years to escape the clutches of his wife of 18 years and mother of their 2 children. Now he has decided to get a divorce and to move out in the hope of finally getting some rest, particularly as he is anxious to arrive at work well rested, police said in a statement. At the moment, this is impossible because he says his wife keeps coming into the living room demanding that he perform his marital duties. He asks police for help in getting some sleep at night. Now, you know, the average Jamaican man, I listen this. I know how no one, you know. Yo, I hear that man that I'm a deal with. No woman can come say that to me. Oh, no woman, no divorce, no woman because she wanted too much more than me. No found out. That's why I'm telling you, you know. That's why I found out I like me come just keep it real and tell the truth. I love Nookie. Nookie I love. That sounds good. Right? Me love Sato. I mean, I stop say that. Cardell Green can't stop me from say that. Hopeton Dunn can't stop me from say that. If Bruce Golden come tell me, say me must stop say that. Mr. Bruce, you lose. Because me not stop say so. Me love Sato. But at the same time, again it may sound contradictory. But sometimes, you know, sometimes based on where you go through life or whatever, sometimes it just don't even did it. You understand? I see some man I go through some vibes right now and just, some man just afraid for you tell a woman at one time, say, yo, baby, not dead, you know, just bill no man. Could go on. Me no ramp for tell him, you know. I say, my girl, I cuddle me, want to cuddle tonight, and I want to you have to wallet. Don't you get it some other night? And if them come up with any fool, want to you, you be man, you this and that, you go on like, what yourself, them can't say what them want to say. You understand? Sometimes just stress reach and it not dead. I mean, I lie. More time I go so boom and bong sala, a 30 minutes or 45, or if I get adventurous and wicked and I'll shut all 1.5 or 2 and the rest of that, bill. Backside, yeah, shape me and we get up back now. You're not ready for round 2. No, I want to sleep. You understand? Enough time I'm running prayer and I dash out the thing, and the reason why I don't dash out the thing is because you make money, don't. But if you're tired and pop down and whatever, you can't make money. You understand what I say? Right? So sometimes, the ladies don't have to be more understanding. Some know say no fun I want to burn out the man, but I don't burn out the brother. He must know where I go to. Yeah, when I did 18 and you just getting, you know, you just see the thing, you can't get enough, you understand? But that's turn the level, man. The man a big married man, 2 people married 18 years and whatever. You know, when you're 18, you can't get enough. As you get up now, that you think, but just a blaze. But you're some woman, but you know, said people don't know you have physical, sexual disorder, them, you know. Again, me telling you all the while, there's a biological basis for sex addicts. Right? You have a physical disease with it, and you have a psychological disease with it. Some people are addicted to sex psychologically, sometimes for good reasons, and sometimes because they have gone through a traumatic negative experience with it too. Some people don't understand. And they have all kind of biological sitting with pituitary gland and this and that and whatever. We just make you horny 24/7. I don't want to be horny 24/7. And me don't want a woman who horny 24/7. You know me always I try what you woman, I do a thing with Lisa Anna. And your Lisa Anna 24/7. Me don't want Lisa again. Oh. And that me say. So, once a big respect to brother where I go to. So one more thing we want to touch before we go. But can you believe it? And Johnny did a talk about it today. So, this is in Malawi. This is in Africa. And I'm asking Cordell Green's latitude and understanding as I read the news the way it is written. People, I'm asking Hopeton Dunn's, Professor Hopeton Dunn's latitude and understanding as I read the news how it is actually written. I don't mean to be rude. I don't mean to be disgusting. Government wants people who enjoy fouling air should be punishable by law if Parliament passes the Local Courts Bill of 2010. According to the new legislative, those who pretend to tell fortunes would also be punished. So them are target the Obia worker them too, and the fortune teller. The key thing in this legislation, this proposed legislation, again, the government of Malawi, led by Dr. Bingo wa Mutharika, again, they're planning to outlaw the breaking of wind, easing your body. The government of Malawi plan to punish persistent offenders who foul the air in a bid to mold responsible and disciplined citizens. But locals fear that pinning responsibility on the crime will be difficult and may lead to miscarriages of justice as the so-called criminals attempt to blame others for their offense. One Malawian told the website africanews.com, "My goodness, what happens in a public place where a group is gathered? Do they lock up half a minibus?" And we know that very often we have culprits in minibuses who unleash their foul-smelling odors from the cavity in their posterior. He goes, and how about at meetings where it is difficult to pinpoint the culprits? Also, children will openly deny having passed bad air and point at an elder. Culturally, this is very embarrassing, she said. And with all due respect, I know people don't agree with this point. But what about the animals in Jamaica? Because we all know very often you have Jamaicans who unleash a foul-smelling air from the cavity in their anal, from their anal cavity, yes, and they blame the poor animal. And yes, then in a situation we'll have the Jamaica Society for the Prevention of Cruelty for Animals. They too will be tabling a bill to protect the animals who are being kicked all over and being arrested on the basis that they're breaking the law because they're the one passing wind and whatever. I think this legislation is stupid. I think it is dumb. And I think any government who thinks that they can legislate that which comes out of the anus, well, the ear, is a government that has too much time on their hands and they perhaps are providing a distraction from some other form of incompetency that is going on. That was...
Oh my God, do you believe that?
Let me tell you something.
Oh my God, do you believe that?
Hey, thick skin and broad back and do it. You can't tell any lie on this. We good see him here. Me used to that. That's the least. Now, you never hear say me a Porsche there. Hold on. Jackie never hear that one there. No, man, one time it stink I wrote say me a Porsche there, you know. Yeah, man, one time it stink I wrote say me a Lucretia do the things them. Let me all see Mr. Miller and I get nervous. I said, man, Mr. Miller go hear the lie, man, and come and box me down. No, big and serious people, me get a little mix up, you know, because I don't know say Moses, I'm a link, you understand, but I never Moses tell me. Because I know say all about people and call Raga and make me know what's going on. And I get a little sound from the hospital, say, me don't know how it go. Me no know how it go. Me say the angel come up on the scene and see Carlene a whole beanie man and in the bed and then the angel bend. But Carlene am a link, the angel am a link. But you have to understand, give it that beanie man and Carlene have history. If the angel come say Carlene a whole beanie man and a bedside. Of course, as wife, she have a right to crush up her face and sickness, so we don't know what. But I go and call them and see if I can get some clarification. Knowing the angel have a rock up and not talk about nothing. Go on alone, man. But I'm a good link, them said. Yeah, we're going to break right now. When we come back, it's all about the phone line, and I don't know the things. We used to mix up and blend the entertainment to the world. I want to call in and give it the pregnancy mix up them, the pregnancy mix up them, the breeding mix up them, the breeding mix up them, and any other sample, slap way, turn up, cuss bad word mix up. And remember now, cuss bad word in the street right now just means anything good. We don't want to call in and actually cuss bad word. Remember when something shell down and something sell off, we say, John, what that's a cuss be a bad word. You understand? So I want some proper energetic up the mix up. We don't want a boring mix up. We don't depend on that. I want to break soon forward. Big up Ruan, cause he made I get massage right now. Jackie a massage he made and thing. You know? No man, not good. I see your face, you know, I you never see your face change a while ago. Yeah man, when Jackie rub your head a while ago, your face change, man. You look like please puss. Yeah, him, when you rub it. May I tell you want to say that. All right, pregnancy mix up or any other proper good so mix up. And that was the right, you know. Don't remember, when you rinse up the things upon the people, you cannot call them name upon here. And you know, if a company and cuss no bad word, and give an F word and all them same thing there, and whatever, I make the wicked dirty people them who are listen and a plot for the show, give them something for you, so come tear with dog and think, I don't know them not like, we already, right? And them say them powerful and them want to get the better way, see? And if you call, and we hear any radio in the background or noise in the background or people are talking in the background, we're going to cut off your crossiness. You understand? Is that a word? Crossiness? We're going to work with it because we build things here. Okay, it is now. Open up your dictionary. All right, to the phone lines we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello, Raga.
Bomba.
I'm a neighbor, you know.
Yeah.
I'm a proper German Shepherd, thoroughbred, registered thing, female.
Right.
Well, I have my little mongrel dog across my head and thing.
Right.
Anyway, him dog in it. And I must see him dog for meet up with thoroughbred for get money and thing. You understand? But you know, mongrel dogs stay already. My dog find a hole and somehow get over there and breed him dog.
Okay.
They never know that my dog still, because you have 3 more German Shepherd on the road.
Okay.
You understand? Anyway, I'm carry the same dog with German Shepherd, the following day, and them do them thing or whatever. Anyway, him dead.
Hold on. So him have a full, like, pedigree. Yeah, man, registered and check and him say, right, it's a full-fledged German Shepherd. Right. But him only want breed female German Shepherd dog with other pedigree German Shepherd dog. But your dog, your little mongrel dog, your little mongrel dog screech you through the hole, you say.
Yeah,
yes, you know when you say screech you through the hole and you start this, I say, wait, hold that, and then I say, oh, I fancy my dog.
Yeah,
but
man, you know mongrel story.
Cool, man, so I'm go over there and send on something upon the female German Shepherd and put on a work upon the dog.
Yeah, man,
and then after that, no, the man carry him dog, go make the pedigree German Shepherd them start out theme dog because as a breeders do with the dog them. So in a theme mind, it's only the pedigree German Shepherd them start out him dog. Go on talk.
Anyway, time then him start get it, you know, you go and get dog bite some and things for the puppy them and thing, you understand?
Exactly.
Anyway, after a while and puppy them born now and thing. And the whole of them, only one of them come out German Shepherd look like the next year, but the whole of them, the dog have 7 puppy. The 6 of them look just like my mongrel dog. The man come on my yard, my brother, and make up knives for me, oh my dog, and I'm going to call police and I'm going to sue me, call my dog, go over there to breed him dog. Mr. Boss, hold on. And me go breed the dog. Mr. Go sue my dog, where is deal with me?
Tambourine! Well, on, him come and cuss you and I say,
yeah.
Oh, your dog, come over there, come breed for him dog.
Dog. And me never fix my fence good and I make my dog call. Mr. Boss, I'm not busy with dog. I don't watch dog. I'm going to breed the dog. I'm not busy with him.
Him can't tell you, say you have fix the fence.
You understand?
Him responsible for secure theme side of the fence.
So, but you know, mongrels, no matter if the fence high or low, them will go over there.
Them will go over there.
You understand?
Yeah, come like somebody get to man them out here.
You understand?
Hey, but you don't see what I go on. You don't see what I go on. Your dog a stoller.
Yeah, man, a stoller, man. I'm going to chase up the man. The man has chat to me for years, you know. I'm going to chase him up, man.
Yeah, so him just malice you after that.
Yeah, man, because of the
But
dog.
him is a damn idiot. What you want to do? Sit down and police. What you for do? Go call your dog and count him and say, don't go over there, go sort out the bossy dog. And that you must say. You must tell him, listen now, stick to your own kind. There's only mongrel you must sort out. Don't go sort out bossy German Shepherd. Him is an idiot.
Well, hear this now. This is the fella. Time dog we need.
The fella, hey.
And my dog that I get it.
So your dog must shit up again, I lie. Hey, when you see what go on, I don't come by your dog must say, Jack back on a bill and I say, I want him to that fool here. If I don't know, some me like that.
The two dogs must sit down and laugh after. My dog that I get it.
Yeah, I know what really I go and do. You know what really I go and do. All him a run up in mouth and I cuss you about your dog. Cause we don't know your dog has stolen, but you know what really I go on. You know it's a fame dog, and I just get a thing.
Yeah, the ghetto thing, man. The ghetto thing, dog. The thoroughbred.
Yo, the fame dog, the fame dog, one time the dog must see attack him, he must hear him dog say, I don't even know, so she say, you nobody with the uptown thing.
The man, when the dog played the last, the second time, the man cuss him dog, the dog worthless.
What, him a cuss him dog, say the dog worthless?
Oh, the dog worthless.
Yeah.
Mix up with mongrel.
Yeah, you gotta mix up with mongrel. Look how me raise you. Look how me raise you. You couldn't go get a quality man. You gotta pick up this a mongrel dog, the cross over there, so look how me.
And I see them waste how much money spend on the dog and Betsy and all them say,
no.
and you know, you go mingle up with mongrel, no ambition. I said, the man a cuss dog like somebody, you know.
Eh.
Yeah, man,
Nah, man, you're a dog. You see, you're a mongrel dog, and get to dog, man. Yo, you see, you're a mongrel dog, I jack back and I say, yo, I want them to see what I go on. Our time now. Baba turned the parade again. Ragashanti lock it. And we say, we're moving on the German Shepherd.
No,
Get
dog,
our say.
you're my dog said to me, now, I'm lucky, him never out there.
Cause him could have get a sort out to know.
The dog said him should have come out there.
If I laugh, I did idiot to the man. Yeah, in that time, him then I run up him out the way your dog a roll right and him better try to even drop round your dog, you know. Cause him all a walk and I go trip and drop your dog could not deal with it wicked. No, but your dog no roll them way cause him a man. Your dog says straight, oh man. You understand?
Yeah, my dog want lick a dog, you know.
Eh?
My dog want lick a dog, you know.
At them what sometimes. At them I go out with the things them.
What the German Shepherd want to hire dog, them want to reach up there in my brethren.
No. With all due respect, you know. You see how them, let me tell you now. The first time me see this thing upon TV, me never know I saw it work, right? You know, a group of lion is called a pride of lion, right?
Yeah.
And then the way it run now, the female them hunt. But the male lion protect and start the war and all them things and defend everybody and thing.
Yeah.
So what happens is that when the lion them get too old and can't defend the thing, a younger lion come challenge them.
Yeah.
All right. The first time me see this, me never know I saw it, I'm shocked. Years ago, but me shocked. You know, so when the younger lion come up, the female lion, I look on this new younger lion come up and the younger lion, I move to them and them just, oh, them want to kill that and then the one who did it for a long time come over now and challenge the younger lion.
Yeah.
And the younger lion goes and step to him wicked and look at drama go on and whatever. And him run with the big one.
Yeah.
You see after him run with the big one, him goes a bam and move to the female lion again and the female lion goes and say nothing there go on.
Yeah.
And one of the most seemingly awful, disgusting thing in nature occur right after that. I mean, and just for the purposes, that's something up on Discovery Channel.
Yeah.
The new lion will come in. You know, say him go kill the cub them.
Yeah, me know that, yeah.
Him kill the cub them. You see, as soon as him kill the cub them, the female lion rush him and all of the female lion them fling and sort out upon him.
Yeah.
And it's like him then copulate with the female lion and thing, and then the female lion act back female and then build back. The point I'm making from this is, you are say, all the German shepherds so big, female German shepherds so big, and your dog small. You never see when the big dog them a crouch and I make the little dog them do them thing. You're frightened if you see them bed because when them body call. When he take them. When them say salt out, them say salt. But see it all the while. Some big strong dog, man, then just spread them back leg and crouch. And some little dog going and mash up something. You understand? Man.
Worthless dog, worthless.
No, man, you're a mongrel dog. Him full of lyrics. So something tell me, say, night time, him dead all lyrics are through the fence, man.
My dog, no
Beat
somebody
it.
here, jump fence, jump the gate.
Beat it.
I'm not slow him.
I bet you sometimes you hear film do German Shepherd come out and sound loud, and after a while, like she a whimper. The lyrics reach her, you know. Like she will come out and never, and your dog just say, and just,
My dog jump the fence. I put up the fence, my dog jump that. I don't know him go by it, you know.
no, man, when he call, no, when Sort Out call come, you know, see how some man will walk some great distance and go up on some mountain just to get look at Sort Out.
It's like one time, you know, I check a thing on Marston Road. You understand?
Yeah.
I'm a driver the night, I carry. First night I carry home.
Yeah.
I'm a car back the beach next day, so I'm going to go for a check on that day. But I couldn't find the yard. I'm going to say, but I'm not here, so I'm not here, so. When I ask you, them find to me which part they there, which part they live. I say, no, man, look, look at Ali, you know, my brethren. I don't know how I reverse up there, so it's like me not trying tonight, you know.
I forget the work.
Yeah, I turn back, man.
Let's say a word, man.
I say, yes, I'm going to come risk my life.
All right, we're going to bunk some other call. Where here, Papa?
Cool.
Safety and protection. And big up your dog. Man. Okay, telephone lines. We got good afternoon. Hello.
Yeah, good afternoon, Roger.
Greetings.
Yeah, greetings, General. My time, I just go for the mix-up thing. I tell that John when I was young, what happened to me.
Rinse.
All right. You know, a long time they like, you done go shows like about on TV and everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, so did I'm sister and last boy, so I'm my only boy too.
Yeah.
I'm telling you I watch a show.
Yeah.
Today, I can't forget the name of Joe's apartment. You see me?
Today, dear, what?
I can't forget the name of the show, Joe's apartment.
The name of the show was Joe's Apartment. Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, on the place. So we there in the show, man, we don't go say, and we have bloodstream. Lips, man, you get. Mother come with all the cutlass, man. Because my son, you feel left for you see me?
Uh-huh.
But I said, no, you can't do that. So no, take it, come over my heart now. The mother turn up and say, all right. But you can't come in at the house, you know, because we don't know. I sleep in the bed, you see me?
Uh-huh. Oh, for the record, just now, we don't want nobody get it twisted. The gentleman said bloodstream. Okay, go on talk.
Yeah.
No, yeah, we wicked people. From your blood, them go, ha. We have him.
Man.
But anyway, go on talk.
Yeah, we did sleep in the bed. Me not sleep, because I know what say. She always come, you see me? So then they say, when we see the woman like a woman take a broomstick and just start to whap up a tree out. And we jump on that bed tree and the woman just start juke out of the bed.
Uh-huh.
You know, I said, mother, they put on some drama on the look at it.
Okay, so I mix up that.
Watch out now, I
No, man, we just juggle with that one there. You not say a word here.
hold on a big one.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's a dog always come over me, Adam.
No, hold on. We know how you feel the way, you know, boy. See the one where you take, the mix up never did it, so, you know. And we want to keep the show sealed up.
Hold on. Get an next one, man.
No, but me I tell you, say the way you just talk, it never shell down, man. And that me I try to tell you.
That's why I get an next one, you know, you see that?
No, but, how long the one here is?
5 seconds.
All right, run the 5 second one.
Watch out. I said, a black dog has come over me and leg us some pieces on me. My yard alone, man. It's a black dog.
A black dog always come over and come leg of feces, I hear it.
It's a black dog alone.
Yeah.
But I that one bleach a dog, yeah. Time or something. Every day him come over me and him not go next me. You see me?
Yeah.
No wonder you not die there and nowhere for you.
No. I just saw some dogs there, you know. Them just do it one place, and sometimes them don't even like do it in a feed them one yard. Them like go do it in a somebody else. Some dog ring them way there, you know. Some dog ring them.
If I have a brown dog, would have a problem, but the dog just.
You wouldn't have a problem with a brown dog, but you have a problem with a black dog.
Time just, you see me, just black and ugly.
Oh, and you want to bleach the dog?
Yeah, man, even if you look like a cartel.
All right, then. Okay, then.
Well,
No, I eat that no, man. I eat that no. Yeah, man, me say I eat that no, man. I eat that no. Yeah, man, tomorrow. Tomorrow Saturday. Here we go. Okay, good afternoon. Hello.
Hello?
Yes, greetings.
Greetings, Raga. Big up.
Man.
Raga.
Whoa.
Say me have a sister, so what this is, Raga?
So.
The girl says she have a British man, and she not stop walk and boast about a British man.
Yeah.
And Raga, the man got foreign And then when the man bring back fear, Raga,
What?
2 bulla and a bag of cashew.
Oh, God. Oh, God. 2 bullet. The
Mr.
man.
Raga,
Well on. Which foreign him go? Him go Tantan
England,
foreign.
Raga, England.
England's a big foreign, so I don't like Tantan foreign, and I look for.
Yeah, I be actually or man, I drive big Jeep. I be actually or man a minor of Raga.
And all him bring back for a 2 bullet and a cashew.
2 Jamaican bulla Raga, him can't come the day.
No, but hold on. With all due respect, you know when somebody come from foreign, them a come from foreign, someplace outside of Jamaica, and bring back bulla for you. Come to Jamaica, and when them come out the airport, them give up 2 bulla. You know what I'm saying? I don't rate things. Anybody come from foreign and bring back things like bulla or you know, certain things where we get down here normal or whatever. Not real things are there. Nothing not going for.
Raga, the man is a bitter old man. He's a grumpy old man, Raga.
Yo, here one for calling a sister now. Cashable. That's what for calling. Cashable. She hype about her man and I.
Mr. Raga, she said the man she want to hang out and have a drink. The man said, don't you know that petrol is expensive?
She asked it.
Mr. Raga, boy, I know. And no matter how you talk.
You can't, you see what you say a while ago, we'll cut out that here.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
you can't say that.
Sorry
You can't say that on the radio. Yeah, man, all right, but that can't really say anything. But anyway, no, man, she feel cool. She can't hype and show about that man, the man. She call her man and ask him to come for a drink, and him say, don't you know petrol is expensive?
Raga is a bit of old man. The man mean till him buck.
No, she have to go leg of that one. Nothing not go on there. So well, if other reasons that why she love him and she wants to.
Raga, only thing him do is pay the rent. Him pay the rent, yes, Raga, but him mean bad.
Okay. Go and work with the rent then, okay, better know.
Yeah.
Anyway, blessings here.
All right.
Yeah, man. Ring to next caller. Good afternoon. Hello.
Good afternoon, Raga.
Sekabakame. Seki, what you say?
Raga.
Everything good?
Carnival.
Yo, you remember the mix up the way they give about the certain person with your, who want your black mango?
Yes, Raga.
I'm not kick up prompt, but I can't really tell you upon the ear, but don't worry yourself. Me make you know what I go on. Here? Anyway, go on. Go on.
I hope I'm not bad enough.
No, sir, no. We know if we run with things, you know. Nobody can frighten away, you know. Nobody cannot frighten.
Okay.
We know if we run with things. What happened to you, Seki?
Oh.
Hey, so what go down here? Talk about things, though.
Yeah, 4 Mixup, Raga.
4 Mixup. All right, just Seki come. Seki, bring them in a bungle.
Number 1, Raga.
Number 1, yeah.
This is college girl.
The college girl.
Don't miss Leslie, Raga.
What?
Don't miss Leslie.
What?
You hear me?
Well, Seki, how your phone sounds, yeah. Big up the
No,
college.
Don't miss Leslie.
Don't I Miss Leslie?
Yes, Raga.
Oh, the college girl, Miss Leslie.
2 of them, Raga.
The 2 of them.
This thing was there.
Who?
This thing was there.
Well, on the road. Call back Seki, then I could see if we get a dip. We don't know how I go on. Well, on the Seki, make road call you back right away. Right, something I go away, I get an echo thing in her phone and whatever. You don't know when Seki says she come with 4 Mixup, you know. Yeah. You know, Emily?
Yeah.
A thing, you don't know when Seki says she have 4, you know, man.
Huddle up.
1 more than quarter dozen, you know. You know, say big things are going for you, idea. 1 more than quarter dozen, you never understand that. That they mash you up.
All right, no box.
They mash you up right.
Don't worry about that.
1 more than quarter dozen.
Yeah.
Quarter dozen is how much?
It's 3, okay?
And then 1 more than quarter dozen is how
4.
much? Oh, bright girl you are.
Shut up.
Oh, do shut up, Emily. Yeah, okay, here we go. Seki.
Yes, Raga.
We could see if this sound better. Yeah.
Yeah, me?
Yeah, man. Turn her down a little bit there. Yeah, go on talk now, Seki.
Yeah, they said that this was there, Raga.
Eh?
And then room you need to catch them. And on that side, Raga, when you look at elastic man, you need to take off the school top.
Say that again.
On that side, when you look at elastic man, Raga, you need to take off the school top.
No, stop that. No, Seki. Second,
Yes,
I don't know why, but you got the technical people say you call very distorted. I don't know why.
No, I don't talk on the phone. Them not on the call on the phone and give me on the same way.
All right, but second, all right. See if you can pull with the phone a little bit from your mouth. Then I could see for that.
No, I'm more clever.
Yeah.
I'm the old phone, I'm the land phone. Because what's in the land phone?
No, man. I'm not outside, man. That's something to do with the line. I know
Because
that's
I'm the old phone, I'm the land phone, I'm the cell phone, I'm not wrong with it.
Second-
Then look at the elastic band, they take off the stuff for the school.
So them did a stretch elastic band before the roommate come.
Yes, Raga.
And when the roommate come, then Lego elastic band because them frightened down.
Yes, Raga.
And when they Lego elastic band, one of them ball out, pie!
No, the elastic band, Raga. The elastic band go, hey!
Oh, the elastic band go, pie!
Yes, Raga.
Yeah. I will put understand second code, I put know what go on, All right, then.
Yes, number 2, no, Raga.
All right, the second one, no.
One man, I come from San Bay, one night.
I come from where?
San Bay.
One man, I come from Senance Bay. All right, yeah.
So when someone like that, Raga, into one woman. So the woman stop him, but an woman, Raga, one man.
Okay, him think a woman, but
The man, Raga, to the yard.
so it was
One thing in the Raga. So when he go out to rinse the clothes, and he put it under the baton, one snake is come out, book funny and Raga.
Well on. So him pick up the woman, but him don't know say the woman a man.
Yes, Raga.
And carry the so-called woman go on yard.
Yes, Raga.
And what you saying in ready for
To
the
rinse the clothes, no, Raga.
He go
To
for-
rinse the clothes.
he go for rinse the clothes.
Baton.
And when him put in that bath pan, no.
Raga, the snake, this is the period that I'm book funny and.
Hey what?
The snake. This is the period that I'm book funny and.
The snake.
Not just this, Raga, it's not with same time.
Tambourine! Him getting a spirit same time. What you mean? Then why must say when him in a spirit second?
But no, I say, because people are saying what you want to run. Now he might put a man to money and get in a spirit to see.
So wait, so him think he's a woman. And I put him on in a bath pan now for do look rinsing. And when he put in a bath pan, him buck up and sing thing a piece of strength there. When the man buck up on that thing getting that, what is that? Oh, hallelujah! Glory! Well, all right, go on, second, give me the third one, you know.
No, Raga.
Yeah.
This is what I'm still pregnant now.
Eh?
This is them pregnant.
Yeah, she pregnant. You want woman, yeah?
So when time, she had the belly for 9 months, Raga.
Hide the belly, band the belly for 9 months, yeah.
Yes, Raga. When time, she have a baby now. She got to register the baby.
When she have the baby, what? Oh, for register the baby, yeah.
Register the baby.
Yeah.
So when he did it, who's the father? What's the father name? He don't have no name, Raga, with nickname.
She, when them ask what the father name, she said him not have no name, she only know the nickname.
He didn't let the one nickname, Raga. The man name CP, so he might have said, but I call, you know.
Well, say that again, what?
The man name CP.
CP, right? Yeah?
I don't know, but I call, Raga. I know, but I call, I call. That's what I call it, you know.
Well, him love certain part of the cow when they kill a cow, a certain part of the cow in love, yeah?
Yes, Raga. So I would have named it, she have the man nickname.
So only that name that she have for them.
Yes, Raga. The nickname, Raga, CP.
Oh, CP. Oh, Jesus.
Tell you, man, a CP man, Raga. Tell you, man, the name, what CP stands for.
So, well on. Second, you tell me, so when the woman and register, you have this man and then calling CP in reference to a certain part of the cow. And when this woman and register pit and then ask her what the baby father name, she actually tell them what CP mean.
Yes, Raga, a CP man.
I said that him there. So she said cow and then she said the other word.
Yes, Raga.
She must say a cow, so in name, ma. Michelle, you don't get it all on. Well, I break second, stay for the line. We're so cold. You're slow, Ivan. That one, the man. We're so forward.
I mix up and blend that time.
I want to call and talk up the things
Yeah, man, welcome back up in I sitting. Now we say Mixup Entertainment with me, the king of Mixup, Ragashanti. And we have Seki back coming, the queen of code. On the line right now, and Seki have one more Mixup for give you and thing. Send on Seki.
Yes, Raga.
Yeah.
Friday come to beat one man, Raga.
Friday guy, you have to beat one man.
Yes, Raga.
So all your call sound so clear now.
I think so. This is the house phone, Raga. I said for me, no, do it.
Oh, so Ruth call you back on the house phone?
Yes, Raga.
No, man, that phone you go hard, man. That one I should talk to you. Okay. If anything you call Ruth on the cell, tell her to call you back on the house phone. You have those privileges.
Okay.
Yes, so Friday guy, you have to beat one, man.
Yes, Raga.
What, man? What?
Take me underwear, Raga. When me find them in a bad condition.
What you say, what?
The underwear, Raga. We can put them on line, take them off, Raga.
Every time you put your underwear on line, him take them off?
Yes, Raga.
What you say about bad condition a while ago?
When me find them, Raga, they're not bad condition, Raga. So me find them back, when the house back.
What? So what him do to them?
Raga, I said, in their show salt for Chinel. That's me find them.
Anytime what?
You show salt for Chinel, for plug.
Anytime when you throw salt for snail, I saw your underwear, then look when you find them. No, but it sounds like he's stealing your underwear, and then not only stealing them, but he's abusing them.
Yes, Raga.
He's assaulting your underwear.
Yes, Raga. Put him go and tell him breed them. I want me mind Grand Pitney.
Eh?
Put him go and tell him breed them. I want me mind Grand Pitney. That's the truth.
What's that what?
If him go and tell him breed them, Raga, I want me mind Grand Pitney.
Oh, you got mind grand people after him breed your panty them.
Right.
What you say? You know mind no panty grand picnic,
No, Raga.
Then I don't think. So how you call him, you know?
Beg him to buy some sawdust for me Friday, Thursday evening. So I tell him when he come, put them in a storeroom for me, coming on the boat.
Right.
So when he come, Raga, me in the house, and me lock up the house, and I say, I must wallet today. And me put the party on line, and me Raga. So when he come, then crown, and me green down the car, Miss B. And me not answer him. When me look, Raga, me see Lenny shake, me not see the underwear. We think security say, Raga, and he go back at the house, and me, yeah, when oh God help me, God help me. That's why when I say, Raga.
What? Him say, oh God help me. Oh.
I must help him, yes.
What? When him see you, or when him a do him thing? All right, no man, him a feel the vibe, man. Him a doing thing, man. So you know, sometimes when some people now them say, oh God, and things. So you go in there, you hear, man.
When me hear Raga, I go like bathroom to a plunger.
You go in the bathroom, take out the plunger, right?
And I two grapefruit. And Raga knock him out the two grapefruit.
Well, second. You go in the bathroom, you take out the plunger.
Yes, Raga.
What the grapefruit, and then what the two grapefruit come from?
On the table, Raga.
Oh, two grapefruit in the kitchen. What you do with the two grapefruit?
Raga, I knock him out with two grapefruit, so. And I beat him in the plunger, beat him.
Second, you fling one grapefruit, and what the first grapefruit?
Right in my face, Raga, it's where they go.
Right in my face, the first grapefruit, take it.
Right in my face, Raga.
And then the second one, connect him in my face.
Yes, Raga, in look round. And I beat him with the plunger.
And then you start beating him with the plunger.
Raga, beat him up. And we had a wet like hog.
Poopa. When you done beat him, you wet like hog.
Yes, Raga.
Poopa, Jesus. Then second, when you beat him with the plunger, the part to actually do the plunging, I lick him.
Raga, the rubber pump can beat the Raga.
The rubber part, So you're plunging face, then you might get some.
Raga.
Oh, Lord. So you get two grapefruit and a plunger.
Yes, Raga.
Okay, and then you whap him up properly.
Yes, Raga, beat him, Raga. We say, don't put up on them again, Raga. Me just said instead of touch them.
Don't touch your panty them again. Dirty man, Seki, dirty man. I take a panty off a line, I run a house corner them. Oh God.
Oh God, what's help?
Oh God. Help me God. What God for help him? What kind of help God I got help him? Him think God involved in them slackness there.
But Raga, God got to help him because you're big. He must want help with it.
Did we hear him what?
Oh, the underwear them big Raga, he must want help with it.
Tambourine.
Raga, my brother, you know.
Yeah.
Every woman in the cup and body, you know.
Eh.
He come in and let a power because I come find them bed.
What?
Oh, fast Teet.
What? Seki, you say you have a brother, every woman in pick up the woman born him.
Yes, Raga.
And one day in come find fast Teet.
One day I find fast Teet in bed, Raga.
Oh God.
Come here, cry. Me change my call Kingston and give them all cab on the station. What the hell me to do with that there?
So we in call you and I cry?
Yes, Raga, like me can't help him.
Nobody backside him about to you for now. Why
Like me can't help him, Raga. I'm lucky because I fasted night. And good thing that I do. Yeah, if I feel fasted, I know that is what people are used to. Me can't help him.
No, but Seki, you know what that mean, do you know?
Yes, Raga.
It means that if the person, the Bunnaman, found it necessary to take out the teeth.
Run left in teeth, Raga.
No, but I run left in
Yes,
teeth.
Raga, can I come for working at night, so you man run left in teeth in the bed.
I run left in teeth in the bed. But when me answer Seki, if the teeth come out in our first place, it means that.
It come with surprise.
Oh, Jesus. Hallelujah. If the man take out in teeth, it means that him did do something.
Yes, Raga.
Where it's easier and better for him using gum alone.
Right.
He did do something with him mouth. Where man say, make me move it in. I want to get going to business right here. Okay. I'm ready for you. Okay. All right, girl. Come here, show. Come over here, show. Come over here, show. Make a deal with your case right here. What?
I'm brethren teeth.
And I'm brethren teeth.
Yes,
so what you do with the teeth, Seki? Well, him a walk up and down with him brethren teeth. No, but what him not supposed to walk up and down with them the teeth, they know like him a fool, man. Yeah, that it look like the man a draw one woman with a mash mouth, man.
Right.
Well, Lord God. But it should look like she get a nice look of swipe then, Seki.
That man.
I must swipe because why it's him that take out the teeth.
I am board.
Well, on a second, well, I could do that time signal.
Full of flavor, full of fun. Reggae Jam in France for everyone. Reggae Jam in Frankfurters. Full of flavor, full of fun. Pick up a pack today. The time by Reggae Jam in Frankfurters is...
It's 15 minutes after 3 o'clock. Yes, a second, what you say, if him nani and bone.
Yes, Rob, why
take out the teeth? But that means there's something soft in the damn man. Something soft in the damn man. A torture in the damn man. Yes, man, a torture in a fiend soup. A torture in a fiend soup. Yes, man. Him now have none of what the bone them when they always use put in a soup. Soup bone, yeah. No soup bone no in the second. Yeah, a torture, man. No, me never remember, man. Love me, no, man. Yeah. A straight torture in the diet. That's why I move with teeth, man. But he look like him say, you know what I've got to call him? Say him a mouth stoller, you know? Him a mouth stoller. Him have a stoller mouth. You understand?
Exactly, brother. I say, let me tell you, I must say, I want to break him. Me say, you're lucky. Me not carry that tell Raga no lie.
You see it there? Exactly. Exactly. Then say him did really a ball when he call you. Then Seki, you know, teach him and say, yo, if you have a ball with them thing there, at that time you going to get bunny. You know, when you go on like you idiot, them time the woman all bunny when them no want bunny, you know, because you go on like you. Woman will bunny out of principle if you just go on like you. Oh, Lord, then Seki between me. Well, I can't ask you that thing because you're brother, so, you know.
You ask me.
Then it look like say him wife I get something, man, where me don't know your brother now help her out with them things.
No, he did that, Raga. You know, if I tell what I think you run like thief.
Okay.
You know, you say it, Raga.
Okay. Me understand. You don't know what.
You don't know nothing about you, Raga. I got the boy now coming nice.
What? But you hear what you say a while ago, Seki. But no, you never mean it that way, but I saw it come out. You say, all you brought the boy now coming at it. You like thief. Well, I don't know what I hear what Seki said. She never mean it that way, but I saw it come out. She like, she not said, all me I brought the boy now, it now coming at it.
Now coming at Raga.
My abdomen. As get the people that saw my belly. Anyway, Seki, your blessings and respect here.
All right, Raga.
Let's say a word, but I love you like that. For Iva and for Iva, them for no. All right, blessing.
Yes, Raga, all right.
You think Seki easy? Anyway, here we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello?
Yes, greeting.
Greetings.
Raga. When they are wallet,
Raga, me I call it to tell you mix about this idiot man living in my community.
Rinse it.
Raga, I move coming here with him baby mother. You don't know why man the baby mother, she move out, left him.
Oh, okay.
Last year, move out everything out of the house and left him. Right? Then him, after him come home and find the house empty and everything. Him start drink and a cuss and a tell me and him never used to talk good and him start song and tell me him problem. So me listen.
Stress I take him, man.
So me said to him, say, Raga. Yeah, every day him get up and go club. So me said to him, say, listen to me. Time when you get up and go club, go look at girl now. Him and say, me can go and chat up a mouth at $200, $2,000 is just a fix him and that's all it costs him. So me say, suppose it's...
What him say $2,000, all him do, him pay $2,000 and getting things him.
Yeah.
And when him go to the go club, that thing say.
Right.
All right.
And a woman costs more than that.
Woman costs more than...
Right. So him tell him I go club, Raga. I'm going to meet a girl at the go club. Raga, you can meet girl at go club and a wife far up.
Yeah, usually that is not a good idea. That is
exactly.
That is not a good idea.
He meet the girl at go club. Every time the girl come in the community, everybody should look. Everybody should look. Last time my friend come from abroad in December, she a look him and then she turned on and tell her man say him a look her. Saturday, she's up on Facebook but she don't have a picture. Saturday.
Nobody tell her name.
No, I'm not telling her. No, man, I'm not telling her name.
All right, yeah.
But Saturday, my friend up on Facebook and she see him on Facebook, so she said to him, say, one of that one next friend, she said, she started talk to him and what she want him to do. So him a prolong, him a gone attack her up on Facebook, Raga. So, him a say, who that girl, yeah, man, so, my next friend wife come and say, let me say, who? And he say, you know, say, a rare woman, and she must say, a lie, and my water, the man come on Sunday, Raga. I cuss the man a look him woman, and if he tap look him woman, and a him carry come here.
Well on. Who a cuss who? Which one a cuss who?
The fee our man. I cuss him friend. I tell him friend say if he stop looking woman because I him carry woman come here if he stop look her.
But no another woman this way left him?
The
go woman.
Yes. The go woman. I go woman I look him in a Raga.
So anima go like say the go woman and wife and this, isn't it?
Yes, Raga.
And him eat that man if him go the same not done no same roll have some fun man and then about two tarry I go like owners.
Live together.
Him and who the go live together?
Yes.
Him and the go live together?
Yes, Raga, him and I live together.
May I ask you straight. Carefully no. You have go have them good up man, you know. But the point is, I mean not this go, but me know a whole heap of go. I mean know some of them have them good up man. But all of them take other man. But the one them me know. You understand? So what me I say is him not what I expect if him pick up a go and that are hustling, when him think she go just get up and change so.
That me want Raga. I know that Raga. You see the man that was shopping ramping shopping and bed with. She not tell him about them one day, you know.
Oh.
Because him suburb the house with two guys and two brothers and the two of them a play ramping shop with her in bed.
Him in the house a reason with two man and thing and don't even know say them two man there a water in garden when they not there.
Yes. The two man and then she have a next taxi man on the side.
Well, me tell people all the while, you know, any man can get can from woman. Any man can get can from woman. But some man just low up the thing and go on like straight idiot. Anyway, blessings to you mix up here.
Raga, but don't tell him mix up here.
Well, okay, quick, finish it there, yeah.
All right, Raga then.
No, man, finish it now.
All right, Raga. Wednesday night now, him go for the other and start beat her up. Go to the taxi man, go look for the taxi man with knives, him go stab him up. And then one piece of argument between him and the taxi man and his friend them. So the taxi man brother, a police man have to go, they go warn him and say him can't do them something there. Him can't make woman beat him up them way there.
So him go club, pick up a go woman and whatever and bring her come live in yard and whatever. And a man the go start upon him with a man and whatever. Him beat up the go and then I draw a knife and go fight the man.
Yes.
Him a idiot.
And Raga, yesterday him lock up in the house all day with her. Although we not see him.
But you know what them are doing there?
Me no know because me not go up there.
No man, him a nookie clown man. Man nookie clown, him a make the nookie mad him man. You understand? Him a for bounce the thing different. You hear them say, if you love the cow, accept the calf.
So what the calf there, Raga?
No, me say, if him go pick up a woman from go club, and have a, him finna say, at the same time when him pick it up, him probably get some good sample because them's a good sort out him.
But Raga not like him a eat.
Hold on, but when you get the good sort out, it's still somebody you pick up from a go club. So certain drama going to reach you.
But Raga, him have 7 baby mother.
Him have what?
7 baby mother.
No, me no want you know more about that, brother. Me no want you know him because him have 7 baby mother and I look up the things, so me don't understand that.
Me no know Raga, him have 7 baby mother.
But him can't make somebody a clown him out with a nookie so
I thought everybody are saying them want to see him for ask me what about that girl here?
No, hey, let me tell you, man. Let me tell you, that go must have fling it on and a quint it and a squeeze it and a catch and quint it and all them something there, man. She probably give him all the helicopter, the cup and sauce and the slide and wine and all
Raga,
these
the
things.
funny thing about she should have done some with them guy them when sublet and one of them work with them. Every day the man see my workplace in my laugh and
But that is what many go-go's do. That is what I'm telling you. And them say, yo, run in. Some of them are sex addicts. You understand? Some of them are them hustling for the money around boom bang. You understand? And when me I say him no take time for know the woman, him go pick her up from go club and come bring her in the house and he don't even know how him a deal with. Him don't know her history, him don't know nothing or whatever. And expect the woman to just get up and change so.
Of course, not even if she want to go do it. She not even in bed.
Well, no, that's me have a problem. Anybody who listen to this show knows me have some serious bed issues. Right? She should not burn him pan them bed when I having them. I have some serious bed issues. Even if she wants, she's not supposed to be in the house. But if she want, go near the bed, hold the edge of the bed and catch. Don't go on the bed.
What's the difference?
No, I just one of them things that me can't. You see, any of me have a woman I know say she born me with a man in it. Me can't sleep in another bed there again.
It's supposed to not know.
No, if me don't know, me I go sleep in there when you don't know I kill you.
Exactly.
No, but me I say me cannot sleep. Any of me know say in that bed that me cannot sleep. You must want a nightmare kill me. Would I dream all kind of sitting there and think? Would I probably just get up and clatter?
You would buy a bed here, woman?
Yeah.
Okay.
When I say Raga, you say it?
Yeah.
Mix up.
Okay.
Mix up. Raga.
What's up?
I want friend you say nothing.
Well, where you calling from?
I'm not to tell you that. You soon find out.
But
I want friend you say Raga.
Yeah.
And she married.
Yeah.
Now she find out say her husband. I take her sister.
Oh, Lord,
So the man, she take up her things and she move out and she go her mother.
Yeah.
So the man go on her. While him still with her sister, you know. Him go on her down her mother, start her till him get her. To come spend one weekend with him at some hotel. I remember me tell you, him wine and dine her to the fullest. Raga.
Hold on. So him woman find out say him wife find out say him a start out her sister.
Him a step right.
And then the wife no move out and go live with her mother.
Right.
And him go down back to go down to the mother and lyrics up the wife and then what him do? Tell me now, what him do?
Invite her out for this weekend because she'd play hard to get, you know.
Right.
Them invite her out for one weekend and they go to one hotel and them have a good time, really good time.
Nice.
Wine and dine her.
Nice.
Raga, him give her one ring set and tell her they're going to renew vows and all of the whole mix up.
Mad.
She know like a Gladysha run feet.
Yeah.
If Carol go to the house, we move from where she did there and Carol go to a different house and show her say, yes, they're going to leave and she will come back home. She spend the night with him, Raga, and him did fix her up.
What you mean? Him get some good work.
Mr. him work it till he tired.
Not God,
so
man.
when she leave the next morning,
him
just honor the divorce paper. Take back him ring and put her out the door. You see when she out there about Raga, members of police, the wicked man calling and said the woman come for disturb and make her nice out there. The police got her off Raga, mother.
Boxer. No, hold on. Just before 1 second. Tambourine, just for the mix up. Yo, the brother, the wicked.
Him cold bad, may I tell you.
Hold on. Just correct me. If I say anything wrong, tell me. The man have him wife. Him asleep with him wife, sister. A dog him wife, sister. Him wife find out and get vexed and say she can't deal with it. She go live with her mother. Him now, too, she cut her whatever. Him go down there, wine and dine her, lyrics her and whatever.
See him so.
Carry her go bossy place a weekend. Give her a new ring set and say them going to renew vows and all these things.
Him say new marriage.
And then him carry her go one brand new house and say this we are going to restart the thing, you know. And then him kill her with work for the whole night and probably just a love her and a romance her and sitting. And the next morning she wake up, him just say, see the divorce papers here.
I done it done.
And when the shaka take her and she stay outside and she probably a ball and I say, why you do me this? Look how me left and come my mother and you come here so come fool up my head. And then him just call police pan her and say, remove this woman from my property.
Exactly.
Yo! That brother they cool.
Like ice.
No man, I him say when you're done, woman, you're done. No man, but you know, all the while when that woman do man something, you know, people always say, yo, I want him do I makes it good so wicked with it. No, you have to ask the question, why him so wicked to she?
Yeah man.
You know if she doing him anything?
No man, a good girl, but a good girl. Trust me, a good girl.
No, but this sound.
You see, because she make up her mind to leave him, he want to have the best of both worlds.
That me I say.
Have him cake and eat it.
He must be a narcissistic, selfish, terrible man.
The dirty boy I wonder if Mark Thompson have one.
Hold on, how you know about Mark Thompson? Because Mark Thompson give out dirty girl award. Oh, you
69 from AC Wall.
Don't say a word.
I got a girl.
All right, Margie. No, Emily, that brother, cool. What you think about that brother? No, wait.
Him cool, but you know why I'm not giving him props because something what woman would have do.
Something woman would do.
But not something like that one woman did do tip on the show, man, but you know, take it back from when you say she nice up the man and him all sign paper and know.
Yes, man. And
yeah, man, but rate him in the fact same think it out.
No, but you see,
cool.
no, what me I say is if she here, imagine one, she here say, find out.
Yeah.
Say her husband, a dagger her sister. And she just run and say she can't take it and go her mama. And so she let it go. Remember, she had try find closure now, you know. And then come and just mix up her head back and sweet her up. Mm-hmm. And wine and dine a new ring set and everything. Carry her a brand new house and be things. I said, this way I start back. Kill her with the work all night. And next morning, I said, hey, the divorce papers. Hey!
I wonder if the brag of this slip on her mouth.
Hey, and them things that make people are coming suicide and say, why me?
Him are dead bad.
No, man, that cool and wicked, man.
Too cool.
I don't know me. I'm feeling pain for her. No, sir. That brother that dangerous. But you know, so the sister going to get fair water load.
Yeah, man.
The sister going to
get it worse.
Because if I saw you stay, He might go deal with she wicked too. I will break with some forward.
A mix up and blend that time.
I'm wanting to call and talk up the things
them. Yeah, man, I mix up with telephone line. We go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello, Raga.
Hello.
Hello. I want to ask how you're doing. You sound good as usual.
Oh, thank you, Miss 69. And how are you doing?
I'm okay, you know, a bit hot, but otherwise I'm cool.
Oh,
I'm cool.
You're a bit hot, but otherwise you're cool.
It's a very warm afternoon today.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you're a bit hot really in temperature. Oh yeah, go on.
I really wanted to come up to Pier 1 on Wednesday, but guess what? When I'm going out these days, if I'm going on my own, I don't travel with money.
Okay.
Unless if I'd known how it was, I'd have put the money somewhere where nobody could go.
Okay.
Because I was robbed about 6 weeks ago on a bus.
You were robbed on a bus 6 weeks ago?
Yeah, a lady robbed me.
What do you mean? Wait, first of all,
she went in my handbag.
She went
without my knowing.
What bus were you taking? You take bus?
I know. I take one of the little buses from out my gate to Falmouth.
To Falmouth. Okay. All right.
And it was English money.
It was
in an envelope. And she was talking to me.
Uh-huh.
And my bag was on my lap, as usual. Mm-hmm. And I was paying attention, looking outside, looking to what she was talking about. Mm-hmm. And she undid the zip and took the envelope out in the bag. And I didn't know until when I got off the bus in Falmouth, I noticed that the zip was undone.
Oh.
Where's my zip undone? You know, and I look, when I look, the envelope was gone. And she was gone.
Oh, Lord. I mean, when I get up in your business, but a good money she gone.
Yes.
Like in
over 100 English pounds.
Over 100 English pounds. Oh,
yeah.
Lord. So because of that, you're afraid to work with money, right?
Yes. You see, it makes me a bit nervous.
Oh, I see.
It's just making me a little bit, because I didn't know ladies do these things.
What? But you me 69, you're frightened if you know some of my biggest thief them out there, woman, man.
But you know, there are certain things when I came here that told me, don't do that, be careful of this. But this is not one, and I've been just going with my bag and just put the bag down in my lap and that's it.
No, man, Miss 69, them all have it down to a science, man. Them can study your behavior and know if you hold your bag too tight, you know, like some money in there and them something there. Them have it down to a science. If you look around too much, you know.
Yeah, but
them know the
kept
drill.
Me occupied.
She kept
and
you
while
occupied.
I was not paying attention there, looking through the window. That is when I think she did it.
And you see, what she did was, first, she won your confidence that you had nothing to fear from her. So you just relax and you let down your guard because she are your friend now, you know. And you just start gazing and look all about and she just moving for the killer. So he thinks it. You understand?
Yeah.
But no, man, that cool, man. We had a nice good time. We went over the pier one after the show.
Yeah,
and
yeah.
we
so
limed a little
since
bit.
then, I don't drive in those buses anymore.
Oh,
if
okay.
I do go up the road.
Okay.
And unless they put me in the front to sit in the front seat alone.
Oh, alone?
Yes. If I use a taxi and I tell them what happened, they let me sit in the taxi in the front alone. I don't sit beside anybody.
Oh, they don't put you, but they never ask you to pay for two fare because they usually like to put two people up in the front there.
Well, no, they don't, because in the Falmouth place there, you know, most of the drivers, they know me.
They know you. They know me 69.
I've been going backwards and forwards, and, you know, they get used to me. But they're very sympathetic. But
traveling with them for a while.
It leaves me very nervous.
Okay.
But so I don't go out as often as I used to, and when I do go out, I've got company.
Okay, so what else is going on? Any mix up to them in 69?
No, everything is cool, you know.
Okay then.
Everything cool. And I had a wonderful time on Wednesday. Really nice.
Right.
Yeah,
Okay.
so I look for. I
want to say thank you. Thank you for stopping by and saying hello to us. We appreciate it.
No, I came directly to there, you know.
Huh?
I came directly to there. I wasn't passing through. I came directly to see you.
Well, I want to say thanks for coming by to see me. I appreciate that.
Yes, I come to see the girls, you know.
And to see the girls too. That would be Michelle and Ruth.
Michelle and yeah.
Yes, and we appreciate it. And of
I'm
course
not
you were.
Give you guys up, man. No words matter.
There you go, and you were there with.
Did you enjoy the thing?
Yeah, we can't talk about that on the air, yeah.
I know. That's why I just trying to be diplomatic. So
I know. No, but you see, if you enjoy the thing, people go and run with it, you know. So we're going to tell her you gave us some apples and some breadfruit and things.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. But Miss 69, you see, with some things like that, you know, sometimes you may not want to ask me about that on the air, you know.
No, I don't want to.
No, I'm saying when you do it that way, it you know, sometimes people misinterpret it, you know.
Oh, because their mind's not nice.
No, I'm just saying, like when you give somebody something, you know, some people say, then why you going to ask him about it on the ear? No, you know, people going to think, say you want people to know, say you give me apple and breadfruit and them something.
No, I don't.
No, I know, I'm just saying that perhaps it might be something you want to avoid then.
Of course I do.
Okay, right. So if you want to ask me about the thing that you gave me, I would prefer when you give somebody something in private, you just ask them about it back in private if you want to ask them, you know.
Oh gosh, I didn't realize the people are so sensitive. Oh.
No, you know, it will come over look a bit funny, but no big deal. We're talking about it now. We're communicating about it now, and the appropriate adjustments will be made.
Well, maybe it's because I would think that or do things like that. Maybe that's it.
Right, but you see now that we understand it, it's not a big deal. You won't do it again and everything is fine.
No,
you're still
definitely
off.
not.
All right.
Definitely not.
Okay,
No.
wonderful.
Anyway.
Okay.
Continue enjoying yourself.
Okay.
Take care.
You see. Okay, good.
All right.
Okay,
bye.
Good. Yeah. That's why I make sure I talk up quick, you know. Yeah. Raga, where you hide? I wish you give you. You understand? That's why I make sure so when I call you know when she goes, so you get the thing. You know, you enjoy the thing. That can you know,
of course you know it is out of the way.
Now let me tell you what the problem is. People, I could just keep it real. People know how me 69 feel about me. So if me 69 said, so you did enjoy the thing.
Did you enjoy the thing?
Did you enjoy the thing? People say, oh, so Raga.
Raga,
yeah, Raga, you say British.
You got that right,
no,
mate.
That's why I start ball out right away. Yeah, me get the apple and the breadfruit them when you give me. Right, so I make people know right away. Because I know by me Japan down on my link, get Raga, you know you mash it up and you come and tell me that. You know you mash it up. Yeah, I use the 70s now.
I want to be diplomatic.
No, me make for sound out
Yeah.
and deal with it, you know. And you know, I look at things there, but you know, with the pan wait, you know.
Yeah.
All right, now here we go. Good afternoon. Hello. Hello. Whoa. Turn on this. Hello, yeah. Your phone sound terrible.
First time for your show, you know?
Yeah, but your phone sound terrible, man.
Well, maybe the frequency not so nice, you know?
Oh, it sound a little better now. Stay right there, so talk right there. So what you say?
Go on.
But they are well of strength, you know, you see me?
First time for your show, man, you know?
All right, my king. So what you say?
Man. Captain Kirk, this is now Captain Kirk friend, you know?
Captain Kirk, friend.
Yeah. MC Captain Kirk, man.
Okay, all right. So what you say in the mix-up today?
Yeah, well, you know, so you want me to call a while ago. I tell about over airport and I'm going to meet the next one.
Oh, that one?
I'm going to meet him, man. You remember the girl that called a while ago?
Which one?
She called her and tell us boy, our friend. She know one of our friend who have a man in America. And when she going to meet the man gave her 2 bullets.
Oh no, yeah, man, no. When she don't meet the man, she there with a man. She have a man, America or England, not England.
Yeah.
Was it England? Yeah. And she hype about a foreign man. And when the man come back and bring back 2 bullets and one. Yeah, 2 bullets and some cash for her, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what you say about that now?
She happened to man. She just let you look away. You see that with them man, I know they call for your show, you know. Start them story, Raga.
Oh, so you say she happened to her talk about somebody else that one.
Yeah, they start them story, man. I see them to the night to tell about, you know.
Okay, yeah. Well, a lot of time that happen, but me don't call them out on it, but can me understand. So me want people feel comfortable for that. It's all about the mix-up, you know. You have to hear the mix-up. So if them fix it up.
You listen to your show every day.
All right, my king.
Every day I listen to your show, I tell you, I say, first, I have a 7th lap on point, I say, you know, my car Raga, but we depend on a long time to cut off, you know.
Yeah.
Because you know, so boy, I'm big up for your show and thing, and I'm big up for more. I have enough things to tell you, Raga, but you don't know, say, I first day today, you see it?
All right, Papa, so linkages. Now say a word, man, protection and strength, here.
Man, big up.
It goes so. Bless up. Okay, here we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Good afternoon.
Greetings.
Yes, Papa, where are they?
But they are wallet, you know, my king. What go on?
Yeah, me there, first time caller, you know.
All right.
Yeah, man, with the wallet strength, you know, for over hot 1 or 2 days, you know.
Yeah, it goes so, yeah.
Yeah, man, come straight back a big yard, come up, you know.
All right, my king. You see?
Yeah, man, but me have a look at thing to say.
Yeah.
As the staff there, so me have a look at restaurant around, you know.
Yeah.
So, me have my chef who weigh about 105 pounds. So, he's a dead yard taker, you know.
Him love go dead yard.
So, yes, man.
Love go 9-9. Yeah.
Yes, he love go 9-9. So, week before last, him got one, you know.
Yeah.
So, him had a 250 pound weight lady, a jump and a go on.
Yeah.
And a jump round, more round and round.
Yeah.
But eventually, everybody under the aisle.
Yeah.
But him find his hand right in him pudding pan. And I feel he put pan, you know?
Right.
You know the code?
Me know the code,
Yeah. So, them round there jump, and when the 250 pound weight come and find out, say, in hand in a pudding pan, I put it all over it. Going down on the ground.
Going up on the ground,
Yes, and the pan, you know.
Yes,
got 105 pound weight, man, you know.
So the 300 pound, man, the pan, the 100 pound.
Yes. I have in hand, I neck, you know.
I know. So we had the man and it's still up on the pudding at this time.
Tell you how him feel the pudding and me tell you say he go work and run out and say my dead.
Tambourine. So wait, a sweeter when him a touch the pudding down.
Yes, see that about.
And where the sweetening take her foot, them just buckle and she go drop down upon him now.
Yeah, he drop down upon him, I tell you say, right now, he in there, he might give me a talk, you know. You know, I can't rock to tell him. You know, I can't rock to tell him.
Backside, you know.
You know that he can't come and rock, you know, man.
And a peer and broke up.
And a peer, the 350 pound weight woman, depend him.
Tumble over upon him.
And the man weigh 105 pounds.
105 pounds and she will train up with that pound and tumble up on because him there touch up her put. Why? Yeah, but we hear this.
Yeah. In our era, them, most era, you know, say you're a top selector and sound man and all them things.
Always, all over Jamaica, yeah.
And I tell you, say, a well-known selector in a film community.
Yeah.
A little chef man not take away woman my youth.
What you say? I would
take away woman.
And then what? What the drama then?
And start you.
Eh.
They're going to get up to the drama.
Yeah.
When the entertainer gets to understand, say, he look a chef. I start out in woman. You know, go for him. Accent power staff, we cut him up.
Accent power staff, we cut up the chef.
Power staff, we fix him up.
And then what happened?
As you run and escape out of him.
And then what happened?
You man run out of hit, man.
Do man run out of it? And then...
Hit, man. Right now, you take him away from him and the local chef have him a start him out and him not get no start out.
So the woman running from the selector?
Yes, and the chef have it locked.
Why, you see that's why I'm telling that chef here with the food thing, you know, man.
Yes,
and
man,
then,
he can't cook good, you know.
He can't cook good, no?
Yes.
Yeah, man,
right now, he them a roll.
Yeah.
Everybody out there roll.
So which area this? Just give me the year. I don't tell when I road I know.
Middle quarter, St. Elizabeth.
Middle quarter, St. Elizabeth. I said, not no more shrimp country, man.
Man, why you come down there, man, the people, man, you lock down there, man.
Shrimp country, man. I say a word, man.
You did come at the bubbling spring.
Yes. Healing waters and beer things. I'm a place there, you know. Yeah.
Yeah, man, yes, Papa.
You know, sir.
We are you lock every day, you know.
Yeah, you know, sir, my past in-laws up that way they come from, you know.
Me know, over the south side.
Yeah, no, man. Why not?
Oh, Northampton.
Past in-laws. Yeah.
Me know.
My ex-wife relatives them. We don't hide nothing around here. My ex-wife relatives them.
We know.
Up on the end there, so you know we used to. I don't know some my link Pepsi or Crawford St. Elizabeth. Pepsi, so we always have to cut through this for Japan and Black River and St. Elizabeth and
St. drive through there, I met road stop at the shrimp place, so.
Make road stop at the
shrimp. They never have none of the shrimp, and the good shrimp soup.
It look like we have a gear, and what the other name, well, no, that's a Portland, I think. So we're going to make road drink.
Yeah, you know, if we take a link up with Pepsi, man, for him know where the good thing there.
No, they know anything. No, but they're St. Elizabeth all the while.
Me know that.
Yeah, man, we know another place, man. And big up all them, me link them over border, you know?
Yes, at that road, you tell me.
You see.
But you never come through the sun, taste the good old shrimp and the good old shrimp soup.
Yeah, we have to go gear, we have to go super up, you know? But they say nothing here, bless up here, sir.
Yeah, man.
Manners and respect, man. Cool. Me not hear, sir.
Chewy, my chef and the woman love eat. That's why she gone with him.
That's one thing we say, you know. When that woman say, well, at least we can never hungry. You understand? Hey, but you hear what going on with that brother they do with the 100-pound man with the 350-pound woman. I do him, I do the things, you know, man.
Bubble mans.
And then they dance and thing, and then they hand reach one woman pudding, you know. And the pudding must be sweeter enough for your need. They must and drop on the man to rot it.
Him never wait till the pudding cool. It's still
yeah,
hot. I know you can't empty out pudding out and put the pan on it hot. You have to wait till it cool, but you catch it when you warm.
And you know what?
Yeah.
Him never did catch a pudding on the bun side.
Yeah.
He go right in the middle with the hot part there. The mushy hot part.
The little jelly part.
The little jelly.
And him finger soak right in the little jelly.
Big up my mama, she dead and gone, but as she say fire top, fire bottom, hallelujah in the middle. When you don't know. Yes, you don't know. As some man make put up. We not grow up with a big woman, so you don't know. Coal stove and piece of zinc on top of the pot. And you put the coal on the top. And me always have to make sure say fire stay at top and whatever. And not putting no sweeter, not over put a sweeter than them they put in there. It's not over put a sweeter than them they put in there. You see it? And me have to just careful call my friend them, and I'm going to say, a long time you eat pudding, you them eat it. Yes, man.
What about the Toto?
Yo, big up Toto, I really get to see that. Yeah, uptown people don't know about Toto, you know. Uptown people don't know about Toto. Most uptown people don't know about Toto. Toto bad, man. You know eat Toto?
No, I'm going to eat them big something.
You know eat like, let me see, can't get to again now. You know eat gizzard?
Yeah, me box that down. But I say peanut cake and drops.
Peanut cake and drops.
Anytime I bet them, I say
greater cake.
I mean greater cake to
with
the world.
With the pink?
Yeah.
How would the backside and get that
color,
pink part?
Raga strawberry food coloring.
No, but there's always a one that's another. Oh,
come on.
No, but why? Who come up? No, who come up with that? So if we make that part the pink.
We say pretty.
No, but who come up with that? Say the coconut, and if we make the middle pink, right?
I know. I swag.
At the swag.
At the swag.
But for a long time, I saw greater cake look, you know.
Yeah, but here wanna big up peanut cake and drops because we say when it put on the fire, we just pick around
Now,
the edge.
peanut cake at the boss.
Peanut cake at the boss.
Cake at the boss. Coconut drops at the boss. Shell down. Them I just love when it touch with little ginger.
Yeah.
Little ginger for in coconut jar. But you know what I mean, like, and thing, but I see them a package it, but it don't taste like the homemade ones. Jackass can.
It weak now, man.
No, the jackass can when them a put in a pack
yeah,
and
man.
sell.
Them stretch the mix, them stretch the butter and it's not soup.
No, man, real. Them a stretch another soup.
Yeah, a soup alone to stretch.
No, but we love jackass can, you know.
Yeah, it chat.
Yeah, man, but the jackass can, I see them a selling a packet out there, really.
It tastes like butter kiss.
Yeah, I don't really feel them jackass. And you don't know, you know, we used to get us a what? Big up Asham.
Yeah.
Asham, you don't like Asham either?
No, not really.
Asham mad, man.
And I've never had that thinking sort of thing.
You never thinking to her yet?
No, come here, say choke.
No, you're not choke. You have to know if you're it. You know,
no, my belly not a trap.
No, you have to know if I'm thinking to. I want you thinking to the boss, man. Thinking to a shell down. I get to sit in that too, or whatever. But then, so tell me, you eat almond though?
Yeah, me used to eat
and
almond.
And after you eat almond, you broke the almond seed and eat the nut.
No, I never normally eat the outside. I just take it and broke it.
Well, so you don't eat the outside part of the almond when the almond ripe?
No.
You don't eat the outside part of the almond when the almond ripe?
No, like my brother them.
My girl, you're malnourished. You're malnourished.
Look how my body healthy and look good.
You're malnourished.
Look how my skin clean and
malnourished
nice.
Because you not eat the real things and whatever. You're malnourished. Oh, you never eat almond, you don't eat or whatever.
No, my brother them will clean it
off.
off.
Me do say something about because you never, that's all right.
I'm tell you.
Because I go ask guys, she never eat down to the seed.
My brother them will clean off the outside and then me do the crackment and eat the almond.
So you have your hand broke the almond.
Yeah.
Hey, when we walk with them people, them and dash with the almond seed, we all go call the seed them.
But mama tell you.
And when we sit down and we are near my man in hat. All right, well, and you eat crap.
Yeah. Oh, Jesus, man.
All right,
oh, God.
You know enough people are going to get disgusted now.
Me
but
eat it.
Ask the truth.
Me eat it. You know why you going to ask me eat it. Me eat it. I love when the little orange egg them in there taste a little better.
Woman crab. When we are buying crab, we say woman crab, you know.
Yeah.
That's what. That's how we know enough man eat that for a long time, you know, man. Because when you get the woman crab and then the orange egg in that crab and whatever.
Yeah, man.
Enough people say them not
nicer than the
them not eat that dark part there and whatever. But me not lie, me used to clot it up.
What? And when it done, you just knock the shell a little bit.
And you eat up all of the little food them and save the big cloth for last. You understand? Most of y'all are impressed a woman, they all go on there with all two big cloth things. You understand?
What the first thing you do when you eat crab though? You drink the water.
You drink the water?
Yeah. Because that's a shell
well,
though.
That's if you get the water.
No, man. If you buy crab, you have to ask the water, else you're not saying no.
No, sometimes, no, that's a hurt.
Yes, Raga, me have a mix-up for Gacy, man.
Send on.
Ecstasy. Ecstasy mix-up on me now. For Southborough, Raga.
Southborough?
Yes, Raga.
Not that's a Michelle live, you know that, though?
Raga, none of my classmates make me get all beaten one time. Yes, Raga, me have a mix-up for Gacy.
Talk to me.
Mr. Raga. Imagine the youth them claim that them have woman as them friend in a Raga. Woman them go their party and them say claim some Monday I'm a Monday night Raga, so them and they be them. Yeah. And them link and be a thing in a Raga, and I know where man them want to do Raga. Man them want ecstasy them liquor.
Them want what?
Ecstasy and the woman them liquor and them claim say them party in a Raga.
So them claim say the woman them a friend and a chew ecstasy in a them liquor?
Yes, Raga.
What you call ecstasy? What ecstasy do to the woman them?
You know, make them want to do anything, you know.
Okay. So them put drugs inside of them liquor.
Yes, Raga.
And them call it the rape drug, you know, that them call it. You know that?
Yeah.
So you are tell we say you find out that recently so some man a par with some woman and say them are just friend and them a put drugs in them liquor.
Yes, Raga, Monday gone. My friend not tell me about it.
Monday gone. So wait, so how she find out and know?
Raga, she see it.
She see what?
She see it in her liquor.
Oh, the thing where them put in her liquor so it never dissolve good?
Yes, Raga.
Okay, so of course.
She want to tell her, Raga.
Eh?
She said she want to tell her the things, them.
Oh, was she there beside you?
Yeah.
She only have a minute though, so make she tell her quick then.
Yeah, Raga.
Yeah, you only have 1 minute, so tell me things them quick.
Yeah, after me say a good thing, I'm going to look at my friend, me and my friend them get Ketch. And you want the boy them to know about. This one the camera. No friend, no want to play with our own scheme, Raga. Ever see something like that, eh?
Right, that's why in Southborough.
Yeah.
Well, on. So, you go out with them, and not par with them, and you trust them.
I'm going to go with the other Kens together, Raga. Our real friend, them. I can't believe up to today, dear.
And your real friend them and them. Oh, so who catch them? Where you catch them, Ado?
No, like me tell you, Raga. Me know it and see it.
Yeah.
So it's like, my friend them a drink it already too, you know.
Yeah.
But see him as how me people drinking. I see this big yellow thing in the cup. So I say, what is this now, man?
Yeah.
I'm tell you, Raga, I'm taste some too.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm taste it. I say, what is? No, man, this not right, man.
Yeah.
And then I say, and then I take out Teet, take it out and put it on the fire paper now. So I call my friend on the side and say, watch ya. The excess of the money was setting up in the night, you know. Go show the whole scheme, you know. And see him so now, and they want to talk about nothing, go so they don't know about it and rate ya, be a them thing there.
So yeah, say Southborough man, them who no par with and on a link, them did want juggle on our phone to get in that state there and then batch you and film on that, you say?
Yeah.
Oh Lord. And when you say one of them ball out, say this with on video or something like that?
Yeah, man, this one that camera.
But when you talk to them, though, them say nothing no go so.
Yeah, man, we have to trace them next time and I see it, so we don't bring to, but we love it.
Okay, but are you definitely see the pill them in on a drink when them.
Yes, I'm looking at drugs, chemical thing.
Okay, and them did buy the drink them food no?
Yeah, them, no man, I want them same birthday too, but you know your friend them say you drink, we not have some fun.
So real quickly, we have to cut out now, but you say you linky them, you trust them like that, whatever, and this
yeah,
go down
man,
then.
Go to Raga.
So a different thing right now, and I take no liquor from them again, so?
No time at all, man. It could have happened before, but we not get Ketch still lucky.
Why? Southborough linky, I want to roll, sir. All right, blessings here.
Hold on, Raga.
No, man, we have to go to news now.
Oh, all right, now say a word.
All right, then, bless up here. News time, people, soon forward.
A Mixup and Blenda time.
I'm wanting to call and talk up the thing them.
Yeah, man, welcome back up in our sitting now. We say Mixup Entertainment with me, the king of Mixup. Ragashanti, blessings and respect indeed. Proper respect to all Massive and Crow. I'm thinking with the pregnancy mix-up, or any other sample mix-up we have, or any other sample shell down, turn up mix-up on have just call in and rinse out the things them to the world. Here we go to the phone lines again. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello, Raga.
Greetings.
My mix-up not sell down, but anyway. Why more as a question, you see? Why when a woman left a man, the man are the worst thing. You know, them always cuss the man and say, oh, I'm not good and everything. That's bad.
No, but I know when woman alone left man, woman taught them things.
Well, me talk about the woman, them.
Okay, so what you say?
Because them did lie down with the man them at first.
Right,
and when the man left them because the man has said all different kind of things about the man.
I have man who do that too, and woman left them, then talk all kind of things. So which man that happened to where you know?
My baby father.
Your baby father?
Yeah, me take him from his wife.
You take him from him?
We can't call the radio station where she work.
You can't call the radio station where she work. You can't tell her quietly. Auntie. So you take away your baby father from his wife, and you actually use those terms. You say so you know say you take him away from his wife.
Yes, I take him away because he left and come live with me.
Oh, okay. But what you did do for take him away? What about you that make you able to take him?
That him like she boring.
So weird.
Christian.
You know, say all the while. Well, all the while people tell people, you know, say it's a Jamaica thing. You believe it or not. Me, you know, so me always play with sexual themes on the show and whatever this and that is not illegal. And thing, but Jamaica is a highly sexualized country. And what you are saying, you 100% sure. Say the sort out.
Sure, Raga. Me sure.
No, me not believe by it, but how you know the sort out?
Raga, because him tell me, and me and the man actually left already. And one heap of drama, Raga.
Yeah.
In the relationship and something, and me tell me say me left and something, and me they do something, and him see it and really.
Voila. You did do something. What you did do?
Like me that talk to somebody else and him find the message on my phone.
You did not talk to him? You did about him?
No, I never sleep with him and he never do nothing.
Okay, all right.
We just that talk and the boy send me one message in hours a night.
Yeah.
And him see the message and you know what him tell me say?
What?
Why him a look past it because it's all so good.
He might look past everything that because you sort out self. So so how fear him tell you about fear sort out?
See?
Him tell you how fear sort out this day?
No, me no get me no.
No, but you can't just give us something. You say she's a Christian and one.
Yeah, she's a Christian and you know him out in the world. Him want a woman to go party with and all of that.
Oh, so was she boring?
She boring like weeks and months she not sleep, do nothing with him. She not sort him out.
She not sort him out and what? If him get it, why him not get it good? And if him get it, him not get it good and all them something on.
No, him never said that.
Okay, me just a
when
one.
him want it, him can't get it.
When him also she a whole back.
Nothing wrong with her,
Okay.
And you must go look it out, I road.
So okay, Miss what you say. So basically, the sort out situation between him and his wife did pop down there.
Yes, and him say if the two of them did want left, brother, but nobody no want say, nobody no want left. We get the blame.
Okay. So you think it was just sort out alone or some other things that he did anyway?
Not fun, brother. What, with she?
Yeah.
With him?
Yeah.
Well, then they have them problem, you know.
Okay, so other problems he did. Yeah. Okay.
But as what I said, nobody no want left, because nobody no want get the blame for say you left me or whatever.
Okay.
Yeah. Anyway, my call.
Okay, so but him and her no deal right, you know?
No, him and her not there again.
So
Me and him live about 2 years now.
Oh, so she walk and talk be bad things about him?
Yeah, when she used to call my phone and she said, the boy a crosses, my glad him come out of my life and all of them something there. Come here say, yeah, because young girl take away your man.
Oh, she much older than you?
Yes, she big man for both of us.
For the
me 23, him a 28 and she up in her 30s.
Oh, okay. You're 23, him at 28 and she up in her 30s?
Yes.
Okay. So you're
she call my phone.
Yeah, when she call your phone, what? When she call your phone, what?
Yeah, she call my phone and she tell me say she glad him come out of her life and him a crosses and I pick up the crosses and you know that she style him and she go on.
Okay.
Yeah.
Credit are done?
If him call her, no. Hello?
Your credit are done?
Hello?
No, me say if your credit are done.
No.
Okay.
No. If him call her no and say him want her back, she say yes. So I say why them always do them something they style the man and if the man go back, them take him back.
You know, them say facts can't get the grape into it, so one thing.
No. Anyway,
yeah.
Because they make the topic.
Yeah, send on there, quick there, yeah.
My cousin, I have a cousin, you see? Yeah. I'm a baby father friend there.
Yeah.
Right? That's why we link up and thing. She get pregnant. She have 2 daughters before, not with him.
Yeah.
She get pregnant, she say I fit him, but as I understand, she don't know who she pregnant for. Anyway, when I asked her she pregnant, she said no. We say barely a granting, she said she not pregnant.
Yeah.
Then she tell me, say, yeah, she pregnant, but she don't want nobody know because she want that shit way.
Okay.
She want to do abortion.
Right.
But my baby father now tell him friend, say, don't give her no money for that shit way.
Right.
Because him don't know if I feel him. Anyway, a guy go until the pitney barn, the baby born one. Nice little boy. I know the man. Him up one now. The man now come look on him. Him see him on Facebook on picture. Him say I love him. But tell the truth, the baby don't look like him.
Well, the only way to find that out is at the DNA testing.
No, I'm going to tell you something. We got our daughter party, me and my sister.
Yeah.
She did tell me, say, this guy I look her, you know, but she never tell me, say, nothing going between them.
Right.
Anyway, we got the party, and, you know, the night we had the birthday party and thing. So my sister said to me, say, are that guy there, so baby father?
Yeah.
And I said, no, why? So she said, do you know say the thing favor him? I said, no, I don't know, you know. Raga, the baby deck stamp of the boy.
Did I look man when she did do something with Panesai?
Yeah, but she don't want nobody know.
Don't want nobody know.
She now put the baby in a female name.
Okay. So the baby not in the Bunnaman name then?
No, it's in the one when I mind where she say a film, but Raga is not film pitney.
Okay.
And a film baby. I said this baby favor the boy.
See it there?
And she now put it. So, alright, I said to her, say, she'll complain as him not help her mind the baby. I said, go to court then. Go down a family court. She now go down a family court. She want woman and pitney and she'll struggle. So me say the only reason why that happen is because she don't show up in here.
No, man, no. We're going to bunk some other call now, but why she don't want to go? Because family court, I'm going to say, do a test.
Exactly.
That's why enough women don't want to go in. I said, no, me an independent woman and them don't, because them no family court nowadays. I first thing them at go and do a test. And whatever, and she don't want family court, because make them do the test, because them not fight.
The boy said, can I go to court and make the court and me do the test?
And she don't want to do that. I tell you, some woman general up the thing and are running, but them are independent woman and them can't care for the pitney and whatever this and that. That time I wicked them, damn wicked them, man.
Yeah, wicked.
Anyway, we're going to bunk some other call and get some more sitting here.
You know, I'm going to tell you more and tell you.
Oh, all right then. Quick there, Ruan, quick there. So now, just play a little tune there. Quick there. Quick, Ruan, man. Chop. All right, Carla. We know I will know everything. Okay, she gone. All right then. So it thinks it. The person at the radio station kind of sticky out there, you know. I mix up thing, you know. Here we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello?
Yes, hello.
Where do I go?
My dear. What's up with you?
Why every time I call him, I'm nervous?
You're nervous? No, man, you're not nervous. Man, you talk to Uncle Raga, man. Talk up the things to me.
That's why I always say, anyway, I have a pregnancy mix-up to give.
Yeah.
There was a girl. She used to do Magdalene and things. Get pregnant for one of them boasty tiny man.
Yeah.
And he moved her out of the inner city area and put her uptown. I have a car and a car, apartment, rent, everything.
Yeah.
When Delia grew and beer sitting in my flask on her.
Yeah.
But you don't know, Raga, when
Wow.
baby born, because yeah, baby father was a bad man, you know?
Yeah.
So she born him with the man there.
She bought him with the bad man baby father, bad man and baby father.
She born the tiny man. She born her baby father before with the tiny man.
Right.
And her baby father is a top man.
Mm-hmm.
So because of that, Raga, he moved her out of the area where she live in, because you know her people in that same area there.
Yeah.
Put her uptown and sitting. Then you know, so when baby born, DNA test run, guess what?
Mm-hmm.
And I Chinese man, baby.
How for baby?
And not even the next baby father, baby neither.
Oh, Lord. Then I do for baby, man. Tell me now.
Raga, is another little man. She they are born with him. So you know she lose all her hype.
So she said that show.
Go back in a... Huh?
So she said that show.
Me say she lose all her hype, Raga. She can't even go back on the era because she gone for top.
See it there?
Drive up a big car and a pay rent apartment. You know them apartment the uptown there.
Oh, Zing.
Done robbing era there, so.
Yeah. So how things stay for you right, you know?
It's sticky bad because I try to convince that the China man baby, but in the 2 DNA and none of them no proof.
And none of them say him.
None of them.
It's hard for you get a Chinaman jacket doing him.
But the baby have the color because she have eye color too.
Me know, but it's still China people of Asian descent. They have very distinct features with respect to eyes and cheeks and so forth and things like that. And hair texture and them something there, you know. So it's kind of harder for you get a Chinaman jacket. You understand?
Worse when you know you have your money and things, but rather, they want to tell you how, you know. How you know how.
Me know how?
Yes, you know how.
Hold on there. Roar. All right, then we know how was sitting. Everything good. Me know that person there. That famous person down there, you know.
Me know.
That person there, a real big man down there, you see.
Me know, me I tell you why, me I tell you.
Then hold on there, the bee there, she never used to model.
Yeah.
Okay, no say not no more, yeah?
All right.
We'll bung some of that call and things, yeah?
All right.
Blessings. Here we go. Good afternoon, hello.
Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Hi, what's up?
Why from what go on, what do you mean I want to feel of it? But is a man or a woman this?
This is Lisa.
This is who?
Lisa.
Okay, so it's a man may I talk to them.
Always.
All right then. Lenisha, what go down?
But they are I'm called for bus up to mix up.
All right, boss. All right, bus up to mix up, Lenisha. What go down? Talk up.
Yeah, Raga, I'm going to big up the man from TamFam. I'm going to work with the two profiles on Facebook. I show the people to come out America. I scam the woman and the man them.
A brother from TamFam, what am I doing?
I'm at two profiles from Facebook.
Two profiles from Facebook. And what go down?
Yeah.
And what you say?
So I'm look one of my friends. I'm that look for me to try to get 600 US from me, Raga. I look one 600 from my friend to put it together. You understand, Raga? To buy a visa and go to America, but they never see America because when I look at him.
Okay, so if you buy a visa for you to go to America, but you want to take the money?
No, him.
Oh.
Him.
So
he want to go to America because it's snow.
He want to go to America. He want to go to America because it's snow. I want to take off the money off of you for pay for it.
Yes, I was telling you, no, I'm afraid. If you look, I'm afraid. I will not look at it.
Then hold on. When they say him look, so wait, him know the thing said with you, Lenisha, say.
Yeah, I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid.
So wait, so hold on. So your friend is Soto, right?
No, one girl. She's a girl.
She a real girl. Look,
real girl.
No, when I talk to them, I have to ask. She a real girl or she a man? She a man with a girl. Eh?
Real girl can't produce baby and stuff, right?
Okay, so him a look your friend who a real girl, and him a look you too. But hold on, him know the thing set with you?
Yeah, Raga.
And him still a look you?
Number everything, yeah, Raga. And she had the same number match everything. I said, who to believe?
Okay, then wait. Him juggle him with when my party and my shit cut two sides.
I just my Raga, but I get that dollar from me, but there. So I go and fool him out, but there, Raga, my class in pants. You can't tell Raga. Yeah, Raga, I come catch my friend, my straight friend.
Yeah.
Yesterday, I'm out better as a wife. My next girlfriend, Raga.
Well, your next girlfriend, a real girl, that too, right?
Real girlfriend.
And this friend, you say you're a straight friend, right?
I'm a straight friend, yeah.
And you catch him a swipe this girl, then a girl I'm link?
Raga, them just know each other.
Okay, but go and talk. So when you catch him a swipe, what happen?
Raga, when I see the girl, I say 100% fat, low cholesterol, every come like one bird, I look at Raga.
When you say, when you see the girl, you say 100% what fat?
Fat, yeah, Raga. And then I say low cholesterol, serve with a Tropicana, the food and juice, Raga.
So
what can I tell you about it?
So when you see the girl, you see one hell of a burger, don't you?
Mm-hmm. That's never dramatized.
Yeah. So hold on. No, hold on. The girl, when it says, hold on, you see, don't vex with me now because I have. No, man, because I realize that when I talk to him, I get clarification and everything. When you say a straight friend is a man or a woman?
No, he's a man.
He was a man, okay.
A woman, yeah.
Okay, so he might eat one fat burger.
Yes, Raga.
Okay, what that? So him did that go on good?
Raga, let me tell you, someone say, what's your door? Hear him, no blocking at the delivery door.
Well on. You ask him what I do, and him said no blocking at the delivery door.
Yeah, Raga. You must leave a one nice clean service.
Lenisha, you go start today.
All
right, man. All right. But Lenisha, you're good otherwise, though.
Yeah, Raga will go and tell some people stop calling it come don't like her guys.
You stop calling what?
Stop calling it a program because don't like her guys.
Ooh.
Champagne.
Oh, champagne. Yeah. Why so then?
Belly laugh like Isma. I will come to Empire New School.
When you say party belly, what?
Laugh like Isma.
Isna? What that? I don't know.
Isma, one cartoon character. I will come to Empire New School.
No, refer to a cartoon people know about. We stop watch TVG at Saturday morning time. See what thing there? Yeah. And that stop come on Disney late. The expire like the ketchup in my kitchen. You're late. The cartoon they stop come. You're late. You're late.
What? Well, I'm the man talk.
What you say?
Well, I'm here with him say no. What you say, Lanisha? Yeah.
A long time I watched Empire in school.
Yeah, and it stop come on TV. So talk about cartoon.
Turn on Michelle, boys. Turn on Michelle.
When you talk about cartoon, talk about Nickelodeon. That cartoon stop come on Disney long time ago. You're late. You're late.
Well, Lanisha, before we break door. Then champion our next youth where gear you a man we go like woman. What?
I don't like him. Because they must read the program about the old honesty and I'm not like them something like that.
What you say?
They just steal one player.
If you understand, some can't come and call us one style me them way they don't. Yo, Lanisha, I can't ask you. Lanisha, I can't ask you something. I disagree. You know, it's upon Thursday we have get a debate, cuss out.
Yeah, right, I would love to join.
All right, me want you and Champion clash.
That don't sound bad.
What that? That don't sound bad. Fight.
Yeah, but that also, I want him mash you.
What you say, Lanisha, what you say? You're now back from the drama there, no?
Yeah, well, Lanisha. I miss the excitement. Yeah.
All right, Lanisha.
I'm a pumped already, my love.
Yeah.
You said jewelry.
He want tip.
Hold on, man. What you say about where your pumps and what?
I'm a pumps and I'm a jewelry.
Yeah, where your pumps and your jewelry. You say ready for clash, no?
Ready for clash.
All right, you said next week Thursday we're going to seal it up. Lanisha and Champion are clash, right?
Right.
Big yeah. And Champion, I know why you going like say you want back out and clash in a Champion. Oh, Lanisha, put on the gauntlet right now. So next week Thursday we set that here, Papa.
Next week Thursday.
Make sure you get root your number half the year, yeah?
All right,
Papa. Boy, oh boy, what a sitting here. You love the drama too.
Boy, I'm coming and pumps, go tip your shoes. Go ahead.
And tell the people them say you mean that in joke. That
yeah, because I like gays.
You what?
Like them cool, like female always like gays, you know.
No, not all female, some woman.
Like them company, man.
But me like the fact that him gay and call and say, yo, Champion of a call and I talk about and I come and style up them way and rate it.
As Lanisha said, can I tell you?
Yeah, we're going to break us so forward.
A Mixup and Blenda time.
I'm wanting to call and talk up the things them.
Yep, welcome back up in the sitting now we say Mix Up Entertainment with me, the king of Mix Up, Ragashanti, mad again. Okay, to the phone lines we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Afternoon, Raga.
Good afternoon, yes.
When we are calling a program, we have to have only for credit. More big up Lime for my $8,000 credit.
Yeah, big up Lime for your $8,000 credit more.
$8,000 credit, yeah.
All right, so what you say now?
I really don't have a mix-up, but I just want to clarify something.
Yeah.
Yesterday, when you were talking to the lady that called about the gay and the KFC.
The gay and the KFC, yeah.
Yeah, and you were saying that I don't get me wrong, and correct me if I'm wrong.
Yeah.
You were saying that they can't like run them out or something like that.
No, I'm saying that she was saying that when she goes into KFC, she don't want to see gay men sit down and rub them one another because her association with food, she find that despicable. So I was trying to explain to her that KFC, as far as I know, remember, no, I'm not a lawyer. I'm just, right? But I'm just saying KFC is not empowered under the law to tell them that they must leave if them just rub up them one another. However, if they were kissing, and it is obvious that it's a straight up specific sexual act, under the law, the buggery law, as far as I know, is still in the books. So KFC could say, listen, you're kissing, no kissing in here, you're going to have to leave. Because she was saying the security should do their work. So I'm trying to let her know that, you know, if the security go tell them to leave because they might rub them and one another, they can sue KFC and win. That is what I was trying. That is what I was trying to explain. So when these business places are running their thing, you know, you have what you call social rules and you have the law. But the business place, they can only do things under the law.
Okay.
Because it's not, if it is a private place, if it's your private house, no, you can't say you don't want a gear in your private house.
Right, and you can't run them out.
And you can't run them out. But if you run a restaurant, and, right? They can make a charge of discrimination because I'm going to say, oh, you make them people that come in and stay, and the man and woman over there do them thing, but you have fight entry and things. So the restaurants them always have to contend with these things, and it's a tricky thing for them, you know.
All right, but what I need to find out isn't the whole is it the homosexuality that is illegal or the act of it, like buggery and all of them things?
It's the buggery that is illegal.
That is illegal.
Okay, but here's the interesting thing, though. If the way, as far as I know, the way buggery is defined, it can only occur. Again, you know, me not tell you what it is, me just tell you what the law. The way them define it, they must say it can only occur between two men. So the interesting thing is, right now, the way the law is, and we're just being strict, whether or not it's enforced. A police can sit a man, a sex an next man, and lock them up.
And charge them for it.
However, if a police see a man, a sex a woman, anally, him can't lock them up.
Okay, so, I mean, to me then...
It has to be between two men. And here's the interesting thing. If a woman, if a police see a man assault out a man, him can't lock them up. If a police see a woman assault out a woman, him can't lock them up. Just the way the law is written right now.
Okay. And I used to work at an hotel in New Kingston. Well, not really an hotel, one of them places here in New Kingston where my boss normally put up the sign, big and bold, say him don't want an African, him don't want a Rastaman, and him don't want a gays in a place.
No African, no Rastaman, and no gays.
Gays in a place. But the homosexual was big and bold, no gays. You understand?
And put up that in a restaurant?
In a hotel.
In a hotel? In a hotel, okay.
So, I mean, tourist board contacted him once.
Right.
And he had to take the sign down where the Rastaman and the Nigerians were concerned.
Okay.
But as for the gay, him still put up the sign and him saying, no, I want to move them to no gays.
Oh, but this is interesting. Are you saying that tourist board contacted him about the Rastaman?
One. So he had to
about the Rastaman and the African.
Right, the Rastaman and the African I think it was the whole thing he had to take down, but the same homosexual one, he put it up back.
He put up back the homosexual one.
Right, because he was adamant as not to wanting to rent his room.
No, but then again, I'm telling you, you see all the things set. Again, me not whatever, I'm just tell you the last year. Yeah. All the things set right now. Yes, he can be liable because same the one African and a Rastaman. That is discrimination and thing.
Right,
and
I know.
And it is this, but the way the law is right now, him actually have a right for say him don't have no gear because him can say, but it's illegal.
Right.
But
true.
it's a tricky thing, because as far as I know, and we are getting at the intricacies of it. As far as I know, I remember again, I know that's so monotonous and redundant here, but I'm not a lawyer. But as far as I know the way lawyers work, here's the interesting thing. A lawyer could perhaps argue it is not illegal in Jamaica to be gay, but it is illegal to engage in buggery.
Okay.
Now somebody going to say, but if you're gay, you're engaging in buggery. But I'm saying it's the act that is illegal, not the sexual.
Not the whole relationship.
Right. No, I'm just saying a lawyer could argue that. But the point is, you have these laws on the books and you have these interesting things out there. And, how they are enforced, because some people just ignore some of them. And there are instances where social mores, rules, cultural rules, they actually take precedent over the law. There are times when that occurs, particularly here in Jamaica too, in this instance. But if you were to go to court, the court would be compelled to follow the law.
Okay. But we normally rent the rooms to them just the same without his knowledge. But what normally happens is that you have some of them that are very boisterous. I mean, them loud. The ones that I've come across, loud and them obnoxious and
right.
But
then the question is the act of being loud and boisterous and obnoxious a phenomenon exclusive to homosexuals?
No, not really, because you have straight people that are just the same.
Exactly.
But I am saying, the kind that I've met, that's the type, the type of persons that they portray to be. And sometimes they will come there and they rent the room, and it's like 5 and 6 of them want to go in one room. Sometimes they will come there and they will fight.
Mm-hmm.
I talk like Buckle and Big Stone and all of them, some of them, the whole heap of excitement. And we had to call the security and have the security throw them out.
But have you ever had heterosexuals getting in fights to and drama, hunting?
Yeah, man, you have that, but
you have that. Okay.
Yeah, but I mean,
is there something particular? Hold on, when the gay people when the gay people fight and what? Was there something particularly unique about gay fighting?
No, I'm not saying that, but I'm saying like for them, the ones that I've seen when they come there, they are the ones that normally, cause like trouble because of them always a fight and, buckle and big stone and all of that.
No, because a lot of Jamaicans believe that, that homosexuals have a different type of violence than the rest.
I think so,
You think so?
Yeah, I think so, and you know why?
You think you think that there's a type of gay violence out there?
Yes, because them actually defend themselves and defend them cause.
Oh, okay.
You understand? So I think them adamant, in a way them believe.
Yeah.
I have gay friends,
Yeah.
Right?
Right.
I miss them fight,
Right.
and I'll try them.
How you say them fight different? You say them fight different.
But not tell no lie, Raga, them fight different. I'll try them. I use the lick down them one another.
Okay.
Come see one run a car in a wall off our next one and mash up the whole of him car front,
Well.
Chop up and all of them things there with cutlass and chop in a face and Marfa rush with the one you go medical and a rush with the one they go this so.
No, but you say, but then again my question to you, like, yes, you see this violence from some gay people, but then what I find interesting is that but
to me, Raga, I don't have a problem with
No, but does Jamaica have a gay violence problem or does Jamaica have a violence problem?
Boy, Raga, I don't know. Some Jamaicans, violent, them have them reason why, but me not tell a lie. The gay people, them different.
So you are holding it that when it comes to violence, gay people have a particularly acute and intense version of violence.
Yes, Raga, I think so because let me tell you, them have to defend them cause.
Okay.
You understand?
Oh, so you said just based on living in Jamaica and being another atmosphere there where people want to kill them or whatever, it just promote a kind of violence. Okay. Me see what you say. Just by the lifestyle when them have and thing like that, them have to defend themselves.
If it was overseas, some of them country they were illegal, them would have been that.
Them would have probably calmer, yeah, sir.
Right.
But through them they and be things that reach them all the while, them just develop this thing where a straight war them say with a kind of.
But I don't agree with them for like a stuff it straight people face. Like a straight in them face. And I'm gay, so what? You have to accept me and all of that. But I have friends that are gays and I don't have a problem with them.
All right. Now say a word here. Yeah, man.
All right, then.
Yeah,
nice
man.
talking to you.
Yeah, man. Blessings and respect, man. Cool.
All right.
Okay, people, like that for this week. We're going to continue with topic to next week and thing. And I want to say thank you for a wonderful and entertaining week. Enjoyed myself indeed. And I want to take care of myself this weekend. And Zane, and what we always said down there. Yeah, hear me? Drive for your queen and leave the machine. We don't want the whole heap of killing and things. We see a little vibes that kick off again and like we don't want to flip the thing up on certain levels in terms of certain killing and things. When we tell you, look, a place are nice, Jamaica nice like that, yo, for real. And I could just go and enjoy the good things out there. Zane, we used to party, we used to fun. And we used to them to laugh, learn, and grow. Thick skin and broad back, do it as so things said. Take care of yourself, people. Have a wonderful weekend. Monday, 1 o'clock again. And we used to mix up and blend that straight. That's how the thing said. And many am the king of mix up. And many am Ragashanti. Big up yourself, Michelle. Big up yourself, Chris Cross. Big up yourself, Ruan. Thank you. And big up yourself, Root to the cute nationwide family. Large upon yourself. And to all you listeners out there, proper respect indeed. I am forever grateful for your support. And I love it that you know, like the entertainment will provide food. And we're there for provide it constantly, non-stop, forever and forever.